When I look up at the night sky, I don't feel small. I feel vast, because my atoms come from those same stars. Neil deGrasse Tyson. In the vast silence of the cosmos, greatness is born. The universe is not merely space and time, it is our grand dominion, the stage upon which the story of all existence unfolds. When we gaze into the night sky, we see only a tiny fragment of an unimaginable cosmic tapestry. Each star is the fiery heart of a distant system, each beam of light a message from the past, traveling across millions of years to reach our eyes. Here, on a small planet orbiting an unremarkable star, we come to understand our connection to this endless dance of matter and energy. We are born of stardust, heirs to cataclysms that once tore apart massive stars, scattering the carbon, oxygen, and iron that form the very foundation of everything we know. The universe is older than our comprehension, vaster than our imagination. It humbles us, reminding us of our fleeting place within its grand scale. But it also inspires us, for we, its children, possess the unique ability to ask, why? Across billions of galaxies shimmering in silent darkness, we see order and chaos, beauty and destruction. We see evidence of birth and death, of the great cycles that drive the cosmos. And somewhere out there, perhaps on another distant world, intelligent beings may be asking the same questions as we are. This journey has only just begun. We send our probes, our dreams, our hopes into the vast void. And the universe responds, in whispers of background radiation, in bursts of supernovae, in the faint gravitational echoes of distant black holes. To understand the universe is to understand ourselves. We are part of its fabric, a link in its story. And as long as we live, as long as we search, as long as we ask questions, we affirm that the cosmos is more than just stars. The cosmos is us. The story of the cosmos is a story of becoming. From the searing heat of the Big Bang to the quiet whispers of interstellar space, it is a tale written in the language of physics, chemistry, and time itself. Long before our ancestors first turned their eyes skyward, the universe was already ancient. Galaxies swirled in intricate cosmic dances, black holes devoured matter with insatiable hunger, and stars forged the elements that would one day give rise to life. Each event, each collision, each explosion was a step in the cosmic symphony that led to us. Yet, in this immensity, life is astonishingly rare, or so it seems. On Earth, a fragile blue world teeming with complexity, we find a spark of something extraordinary, self-awareness. We are the universe contemplating itself, the means by which it learns and grows. But what of other worlds? Could there be oceans hidden beneath the icy crust of Europa or Enceladus, warmed by the gravitational tug of their parent planets? Could microbial life cling to the acidic clouds of Venus or thrive in the methane lakes of Titan? Are we alone in this vastness, or are we but one voice in a grand cosmic chorus, as yet unheard? Even as we ask these questions, the universe continues its ceaseless evolution. Stars are born in glowing nebulae, their light piercing the dark fabric of space. Galaxies merge in titanic collisions, forming new realms of creation. And somewhere, far beyond the reach of our telescopes, the expansion of space accelerates, driven by the mysterious force we call dark energy. Our tools for understanding grow more powerful with each passing decade. Telescopes like James Webb peer deeper into time, revealing galaxies that existed when the universe was young. Particle colliders probe the building blocks of matter, searching for the keys to the universe's earliest moments. Through these instruments, we are not just observers, we are participants in the grand experiment of existence. And yet, for all our discoveries, there is so much we do not know. What lies beyond the observable universe? What is the true nature of dark matter and dark energy? Will the cosmos expand forever, or will it collapse in a fiery rebirth? These are questions for future generations, but their answers are hidden in the fabric of the universe, waiting for curious minds to uncover them. As we look ahead, we must remember that our journey is fragile. The universe is vast, but the environments capable of sustaining life are few and precious. Our planet, Earth, is a sanctuary in a harsh cosmos, a rare and delicate cradle of life. To explore the stars, we must first protect our home, ensuring that future generations inherit not just the dream of exploration but the means to achieve it. The universe calls to us, not in words, but in the silent beauty of its structure, the poetry of its laws, and the infinite possibilities it offers. We are, each of us, threads in its grand tapestry, connected across space and time. To explore it is not just a pursuit of science, it is a celebration of what it means to be human. For in the end, the universe is more than galaxies and stars. It is the stage upon which the greatest drama of all unfolds, the story of life, of awareness, and of our unending quest to understand our place within it. As we unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, we find ourselves confronted by a profound truth: the universe is not static. It evolves, it changes, and it creates. Over the course of billions of years, the interplay of gravity, energy, and time has sculpted the stars, galaxies, and planets we see today. But within this grand stage lies something even more remarkable: the emergence of complexity against all odds. The elements forged in the hearts of stars, scattered across space by supernovae, came together to form the building blocks of life. Molecules combined, creating the precursors to cells. From chaos, order emerged. This delicate process, the rise of life, might be the rarest phenomenon in the cosmos. On Earth, it was nurtured by liquid water, a protective atmosphere, and a stable star. But what of the other billions of worlds scattered throughout the galaxy? Could there be other oases, where life has taken root in forms we can scarcely imagine? Consider this: on some distant planet orbiting a sun-like star, perhaps life has evolved to look up at its own sky. Perhaps they, too, wonder about their origins, about the nature of the universe. Perhaps their curiosity mirrors our own, their questions echoing across the void. If we are not alone, then the implications are staggering. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, whether simple microbes or advanced civilizations, would transform our understanding of the cosmos and of ourselves. It would remind us that Earth, though unique, is not the center of the universe, but part of a vast and interconnected whole. Yet, even if we are alone, the universe remains no less extraordinary. For in the face of immense improbability, life arose here, on this pale blue dot suspended in a sunbeam. It is a testament to the resilience of nature and the astonishing creativity of the cosmos. Our exploration has just begun. In the coming centuries, we will send probes to distant stars, build space habitats, and perhaps even set foot on alien worlds. These endeavors will not be easy. They will demand ingenuity, patience, and the unshakable belief that the pursuit of knowledge is worth any sacrifice. And as we venture outward, we must not lose sight of what lies within. The universe, vast and ancient, is reflected in us. The atoms that form our bodies were forged in stars. The energy that powers our thoughts has traveled across cosmic distances. We are, in every sense, the universe made conscious. This awareness brings with it a profound responsibility. We must cherish the fragile spark of life that exists here and nurture the seeds of discovery for those who will come after us. For the story of the universe is not yet complete. It is written in the stars, yes, but also in the minds and hearts of those who dare to dream. To gaze into the cosmos is to confront the infinite. It is to feel both small and immense, fleeting and eternal. It is to realize that while we occupy but a tiny corner of space and time, we are part of something vast and beautiful, a symphony that has been playing for billions of years and will continue long after we are gone. The cosmos is calling. It beckons us to explore, to learn, and to marvel at its wonders. And as we answer, we honor the greatest truth of all, that in this vast and silent universe, we are not separate from it. We are its voice, its curiosity, its yearning to understand. As humanity looks to the stars, we must ask ourselves, what is our role in the grand story of the cosmos? Are we mere observers, destined to witness the universe from the confines of our fragile world, or are we explorers, called to chart the unknown? The history of life on Earth is a history of exploration. From the first creatures to crawl onto land to the ancient sailors who navigated by the stars, the desire to push beyond the horizon is woven into the fabric of our being. Now, our horizon is no longer a distant mountain or an uncharted sea, it is the infinite expanse of space itself. The challenges before us are immense. The distances between stars are vast beyond comprehension. Our closest neighbor, Proxima Centauri, lies more than 4 light-years away, a journey of tens of thousands of years with current technology. But history teaches us that the impossible of one era becomes the inevitable of the next. Already, we are taking our first tentative steps. Robotic explorers like Voyager and Perseverance are our emissaries to the cosmos, while telescopes like James Webb peer into the earliest epochs of the universe. These tools are extensions of our curiosity, reaching where we cannot yet go. And soon, we will go ourselves. Humanity's return to the moon will mark the beginning of a new era, not as an isolated achievement, but as a stepping stone to Mars, to the asteroid belt, and beyond. Each new destination will test our resolve, but with each step, we will grow stronger, more united in our purpose. But exploration is not just a technical endeavor, it is a moral one. As we venture outward, we must carry with us the lessons learned on Earth, the value of cooperation, the importance of preserving fragile ecosystems, and the understanding that diversity is strength. The cosmos is vast enough for all, and our journey must reflect the best of who we are. Yet, the universe reminds us of our fragility. Asteroids, solar flares, and the distant threat of supernovae are ever-present dangers. And here, on Earth, climate change, conflict, and scarcity of resources threaten the foundation of our civilization. If we are to survive and thrive as a species, we must work together, not just to explore, but to ensure the survival of life itself. In the distant future, perhaps tens of thousands of years from now, our descendants may look back on this moment as the dawn of a new age. They may live on worlds orbiting distant suns, their cities illuminated by artificial stars, their cultures enriched by the boundless diversity of the cosmos. They will not remember us for our struggles or our conflicts, but for our courage, for the moment when we chose to reach for the stars. And yet, no matter how far we go, the Earth will always be our first home. It is here, beneath the blue skies and among the green forests, that our story began. As we write the next chapter, we must honor the cradle that gave us life, protecting it for future generations. The universe is calling us, not with words, but with the silent allure of its infinite possibilities. To explore it is not merely an act of discovery, it is an act of creation, for each step we take shapes the story of the cosmos itself. In the end, the stars are not so distant, for they are reflected in us. We are the builders of the future, the dreamers of impossible dreams. And as we take our first steps into the vast unknown, we carry with us the hope that the universe, vast and eternal, is not just our destination, but our destiny. Beyond the horizons of our current understanding lies the great unknown, a boundless expanse where our deepest questions remain unanswered. What is the ultimate fate of the universe? Will it expand forever, growing colder and more diffuse, or will it one day collapse back upon itself in a final act of cosmic renewal? These questions are not just theoretical. They are the keys to understanding the nature of existence itself. Each new discovery brings us closer to glimpsing the profound truths hidden within the fabric of reality. Yet, with every answer comes new mysteries, as if the universe is whispering, there is always more. Consider the enigmatic forces that govern the cosmos. Dark matter, invisible and elusive, binds galaxies together, shaping the architecture of the universe. Dark energy, even more mysterious, drives its expansion, accelerating it into an uncertain future. Together, these forces account for over 95% of the universe, leaving us to grapple with the humbling reality that we understand only a fraction of what surrounds us. But even in our ignorance, there is beauty. The very act of questioning, of seeking, is a testament to the power of the human spirit. To wonder about the universe is to embrace the infinite, to step beyond the boundaries of our small world and dare to dream of what lies beyond. And what of time itself? The arrow of time propels us forward, yet the cosmos speaks of cycles, of stars born and stars dying, of galaxies colliding and reforming, of matter coalescing and dispersing. Could it be that time, like space, is part of a larger, more intricate tapestry, one that we have yet to fully comprehend? Theoretical physicists speculate about multiverses, about dimensions beyond our perception, about realities parallel to our own. If true, these ideas would expand our understanding of existence far beyond the confines of a single universe. They suggest that our cosmos, vast as it is, might be just one chapter in an even greater story. Yet, as we peer outward, we must also look inward. For the most profound mysteries of all may lie within ourselves. Consciousness, that ineffable spark that allows us to think, to feel, to wonder, what is its nature? Are we simply the sum of our atoms, or is there something more, something that connects us to the cosmos in ways we cannot yet measure? To seek answers to these questions is to engage in the greatest adventure of all. It is an exploration not just of space and time, but of meaning and purpose. It is a journey that transcends science, touching on philosophy, art, and the very essence of what it means to be human. And so, as we stand on the threshold of a new era, we must remember that the universe is not something separate from us. It is not a distant object to be studied from afar. It is our home, our origin, and our destiny. The stars that shine above us are not just points of light. They are beacons, calling us to explore, to learn, and to grow. They remind us that we are part of a grand and ongoing story, a story that began billions of years ago and will continue long after we are gone. In this story, we are not insignificant. We are the universe made conscious, the means by which it reflects upon itself. And as we look to the future, we must carry this awareness with us, embracing the responsibility and the wonder of being a part of something so vast, so beautiful, and so profoundly mysterious. For in the end, to explore the universe is not just to seek knowledge. It is to affirm our place within it, to celebrate the miracle of existence, and to honor the infinite possibilities that lie before us. This is the legacy we will leave, the story of a species that dared to dream, and in doing so, became part of the cosmos itself. As we venture deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of knowledge and wonder. For every light year we travel, every star we analyze, and every particle we study, the questions only grow larger, more profound. One of the greatest riddles of our time is the origin of the universe itself. What existed before the Big Bang? Was there a before? The laws of physics, as we know them, unravel at the singularity from which the universe began. Yet, some theories suggest that our universe may be but one in an infinite cycle, a pulsating cosmos of endless expansion and contraction. Others propose a multiverse, where our Big Bang is just one of countless others, each creating its own unique reality. If the multiverse exists, then somewhere, unimaginably far from here, there might be worlds where the laws of physics differ entirely, where time flows backward, where gravity repels instead of attracts, or where stars and planets cannot form. And yet, here we are, in a universe finely tuned for life, a seemingly improbable oasis amidst a sea of possibilities. This raises one of the most profound questions of all: why does the universe exist in the first place? Why is there something rather than nothing? Some see in this question the hand of a higher power, a guiding force or intelligence. Others see the blind, yet elegant, dance of chance and necessity. Whatever the answer, it speaks to the fundamental nature of existence and our place within it. And then there is the question of time, not just as we experience it, but as a fundamental property of the universe. What if time is not linear, as it seems, but circular or multidimensional? What if past, present, and future coexist, waiting to be discovered rather than created? If we could step outside of time, would we see the universe as it truly is, a complete, eternal structure, with every moment laid out like pages in a book? Such ideas may seem abstract, even unimaginable, but they are the very frontier of human thought. They remind us that the universe is not just a physical place, but a conceptual one, a realm where the limits of our understanding are constantly being challenged and expanded. And as we explore these cosmic questions, we must also grapple with the possibilities of other forms of intelligence. If life exists beyond Earth, could it think as we do? Or might its consciousness be so alien, so unrecognizable, that we would struggle to even perceive it? Would their cultures, their technologies, their understanding of the universe surpass our own? Or would they, too, be seekers of truth, looking to the stars for answers? In the search for extraterrestrial life, we send signals into the void, hoping for a reply. But the silence we have encountered so far is deafening. Is it possible that we are alone in the vast expanse of the cosmos? If so, what does that mean for us? Does it make us more significant or less? Perhaps the silence is not an absence, but a challenge, a call to create meaning in a universe that offers none. If we are truly alone, then it is up to us to ensure that life, intelligence, and curiosity continue to thrive. We are the bearers of the universe's greatest gift, the ability to wonder, to imagine, and to dream. And so, as we turn our gaze back to the stars, let us remember that the universe is not just a collection of matter and energy. It is a story that began with the birth of time itself and now continues through us. The next chapter of this story has yet to be written. It will be a tale of discovery and challenge, of hope and resilience. It will be a testament to the power of human curiosity and the enduring spirit of exploration. For the cosmos is more than just a destination. It is a mirror, reflecting not only the vastness of existence but the infinite potential within ourselves. To understand the universe is to understand what it means to be alive, to be human, and to be part of something far greater than we can imagine. As we ponder the enormity of the cosmos, we find that it serves as both a source of knowledge and a reservoir of deeper questions. Every discovery, from the swirling dance of galaxies to the subatomic particles that weave the fabric of reality, reveals not only the mechanics of the universe but also its profound elegance. Take, for instance, the phenomenon of black holes, regions where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Once seen as cosmic anomalies, black holes are now understood to be key players in the evolution of galaxies. At the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole, billions of times more massive than the Sun. These enigmatic objects shape the structure of the universe, regulating the formation of stars and influencing the fate of matter and energy. But black holes are more than just celestial engines, they are gateways to the unknown. Beyond the event horizon, space and time are twisted into forms we cannot yet comprehend. Some theories suggest that black holes might connect to other regions of spacetime, acting as portals, or perhaps as bridges to entirely different universes. Yet even as we probe the darkest corners of the cosmos, we find light in its earliest moments. The cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow that fills the universe, is a relic of the Big Bang, a snapshot of the cosmos when it was less than 400,000 years old. Embedded in this radiation are clues to the universe's infancy, its structure, and its destiny. Each ripple in this ancient light tells the story of how galaxies and stars came to be. And then there is the enigma of the universe's expansion. For decades, we believed that the pull of gravity would eventually slow this expansion, perhaps even reverse it. But in the late 20th century, we discovered something extraordinary: the universe is not just expanding, it's accelerating. This revelation points to a mysterious force we call dark energy, a phenomenon that challenges our understanding of physics and reshapes our view of the cosmos. Wherever we look, we encounter the interplay of forces both familiar and alien, forces that have sculpted the universe over billions of years. And yet, for all its vastness, the cosmos operates with a remarkable unity. The same laws of physics that govern the motions of planets and stars also apply to the atoms in our bodies. In this sense, we are not apart from the universe, we are expressions of it. This interconnectedness extends to life itself. On Earth, the delicate web of ecosystems reminds us that survival depends on balance, on a harmony of forces as fragile as it is beautiful. Could similar balances exist elsewhere in the cosmos? Could alien life, if it exists, follow entirely different rules, or would it, too, reflect the universal principles that bind us all? The search for life beyond Earth is not just a scientific endeavor, it is a journey into the heart of what it means to be alive. Whether we find a microbial world beneath Europa's icy crust, complex organisms in the methane seas of Titan, or signals from an intelligent civilization among the stars, each discovery would forever alter our understanding of life's potential. But even if we find no one else out there, the universe remains a masterpiece of creation. The stars, galaxies, and nebulae are not mere objects, they are expressions of nature's boundless creativity. To study them is to study the very process of becoming, the transformation of chaos into order, and the emergence of meaning from the void. And so, we continue our journey, driven by questions that may never have final answers. What is the universe's ultimate purpose, if any? Is it a grand accident, or is there a deeper order beneath its apparent randomness? And what role do we, as conscious beings, play in this immense cosmic drama? Perhaps the greatest revelation is this: the universe is not indifferent. Through us, it has awakened to itself. Our thoughts, dreams, and aspirations are as much a part of the cosmos as the stars and galaxies. When we ask why we are here, it is the universe asking itself the same question. To explore the cosmos is not simply to traverse distance. It is to expand the boundaries of what is possible, to stretch the imagination, and to deepen the human spirit. For in this vast and silent expanse, we find not only the answers we seek but also the enduring mystery that inspires us to keep searching. The story of the universe is far from over. And as long as there are minds to wonder and hearts to dream, it will continue to unfold, one question, one discovery, one moment of awe at a time. The cosmos, in all its vastness, speaks to us in a language both ancient and universal. It whispers through the glow of distant stars, the dance of galaxies, and the quiet hum of atoms. Every corner of the universe tells a story not of chaos, but of intricate patterns, of connections woven across time and space. Consider the stars, born from clouds of gas and dust collapsing under the weight of their own gravity. They ignite, fusing hydrogen into helium, releasing light and energy that travel across the universe. In their fiery hearts, heavier elements are forged: carbon, oxygen, iron, the building blocks of planets, oceans, and life itself. When stars die, they scatter these elements into space, seeding the next generation of stars and worlds. In this way, every atom in our bodies has passed through the crucible of a star. We are, quite literally, made of stardust. This realization binds us to the universe in a profound and intimate way. We are not separate from the cosmos, we are its expression, its way of experiencing itself. Yet, as we marvel at the stars, we must also confront the cosmic forces that challenge our understanding. Black holes, with their inescapable gravity, warp spacetime itself, bending the laws of physics to their limits. Neutron stars, the remnants of massive stellar deaths, spin at incredible speeds, emitting beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. And at the edge of the universe, quasars, powered by supermassive black holes, shine with the light of 1 trillion stars. These phenomena are not just objects of study, they are glimpses into the extremes of reality. They remind us that the universe is far more dynamic, more surprising, and more complex than we ever imagined. But what of life's role in this grand cosmic tableau? Could it be that life is not an anomaly, but an inevitable outcome of the universe's evolution? If so, then the seeds of life may be scattered throughout the stars, waiting for the right conditions to bloom. We search for signs of this life in the chemical signatures of distant exoplanets, in the icy oceans of moons like Europa and Enceladus, and in the vast stretches of interstellar space. Each discovery brings us closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone? And yet, even as we search outward, we must look inward. For the universe's greatest mystery may be the emergence of consciousness itself. How did the atoms of the universe organize into beings capable of thought, emotion, and wonder? What is the nature of this awareness that allows us to ask these very questions? Consciousness is, perhaps, the most extraordinary phenomenon of all. It connects us not only to each other but to the universe itself. When we gaze at the stars, we are the cosmos reflecting on its own existence. We are the means by which it contemplates its beauty, its vastness, and its purpose. As we move forward, the challenges we face are immense. The universe is indifferent to our survival. It will not shield us from asteroids, supernovae, or the eventual death of our sun. To endure, we must harness our ingenuity and our unity. We must become a species capable of thriving beyond the confines of a single planet. This will not be easy. But the rewards are beyond imagination. A humanity that spans the stars will not only secure its survival but will also uncover wonders we cannot yet conceive. We will become part of the universe's ongoing creation, its story written in the stars and the minds of those who dare to dream. And so, we stand on the threshold of a new era. The universe, vast and silent, awaits our exploration. It calls us to venture into the unknown, to seek answers to questions as old as time itself. It reminds us that while we are small, we are not insignificant. For we are the universe, alive and aware, searching for itself in the infinite expanse. And as long as we continue to ask, to seek, and to dream, the story of the cosmos will never truly end. As the cosmos unfolds its vast narrative, we find ourselves at an extraordinary juncture, a moment where our ability to question and explore is limited only by our imagination. The universe, in its infinite expanse, offers us not just answers, but the profound realization that our place within it is both fragile and immense. Consider the scale of the cosmos. The observable universe spans over 93 billion light-years, containing more stars than grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth. Within this incomprehensible vastness, galaxies collide and merge, forming new structures over billions of years. Stars are born, burn brightly, and fade into darkness, all while their light travels across the abyss, bearing witness to their ephemeral brilliance. And yet, for all its vastness, the universe is bound by precise laws. The speed of light, the force of gravity, the charge of an electron, these constants govern everything, from the smallest atoms to the largest galactic superclusters. It is as if the universe operates on a delicate balance, where even the slightest variation could have rendered it lifeless and barren. This fine-tuning raises profound questions. Why does the universe exist in this particular form? Is it a cosmic accident, or is there an underlying principle, a deeper truth that we have yet to uncover? Could it be that the universe is not just a physical phenomenon, but something more, a system designed to evolve, to create, and perhaps even to become self-aware? In this sense, the search for meaning is not separate from the search for understanding. When we study the stars, the galaxies, and the quantum realms, we are not merely seeking facts, we are seeking connection. For every discovery reveals a deeper truth, that we are not observers of the universe, we are participants in it. And this participation extends beyond Earth. As we send robotic explorers to Mars, Europa, and Titan, we carry with us the hope of finding life's echoes in distant corners of the cosmos. We build telescopes that can detect the faintest light from distant exoplanets, searching for signs of habitability in the shadows of alien worlds. One day, perhaps not too far from now, we may find a signal, a pattern in the noise of the cosmos that suggests we are not alone. This moment would be transformative, reshaping our understanding of life and our place in the grand tapestry of existence. But even if the universe remains silent, it speaks in other ways. Its beauty is undeniable, from the spiral arms of galaxies to the delicate patterns of nebulae. Its power is humbling, from the explosive death of stars to the relentless pull of black holes. And its mystery is boundless, from the origins of the Big Bang to the ultimate fate of all things. As we venture further into this vast unknown, we must remember that our journey is not just scientific, it is deeply human. It is a reflection of our need to explore, to understand, and to transcend. It is a testament to our ability to imagine what lies beyond the horizon and to reach for it, even when the odds seem insurmountable. The universe invites us to dream, to imagine interstellar civilizations, to envision life on distant worlds, and to contemplate futures where humanity thrives among the stars. It asks us to look beyond our divisions, to see ourselves not as nations or tribes, but as a single species bound by a shared destiny. It is a story written in the language of mathematics, illuminated by the light of distant suns, and carried forward by the curiosity of beings who dare to ask, what lies beyond? Who are we in the grand scheme of things? And what is the universe becoming? The answers to these questions are not final, they are stepping stones on a journey of unending discovery. Each revelation about the cosmos opens a door to new mysteries, urging us to look deeper, to think broader, and to dream bolder. This is the essence of exploration, the understanding that the universe is not something to conquer, but something to embrace, to learn from, and to become part of. Imagine, far into the future, humanity spreading beyond the confines of Earth. Cities thriving under alien suns, spacecraft gliding through interstellar space like sails catching the winds of the cosmos, and civilizations forming new connections among the stars. These are not fantasies, they are the logical extension of our most basic drive, to survive and to grow. With every step into the unknown, we will carry with us the essence of what it means to be human. And yet, as we venture outward, we must not forget the profound responsibility we hold. Earth, our home, is a rare jewel in the vast void of space. Its oceans, its forests, its skies, these are irreplaceable treasures. To journey among the stars is to carry with us the lessons we've learned here, to protect, to nurture, and to cherish the fragile ecosystems that sustain life. In the grand timeline of the cosmos, we are but a fleeting moment, a whisper in the vastness of eternity. Yet, it is within this fleeting moment that we have the power to shape the future, not just of our species, but perhaps of life itself. For we are the bridge between the past and the possible, between the chaos of the Big Bang and the infinite potential of what lies ahead. The universe, in all its enormity, humbles us. It reminds us of our smallness, yet simultaneously reveals our greatness. For while we are tiny, we are aware. We can look up at the night sky and see not just points of light, but the history of the cosmos. We can comprehend its scale, unravel its laws, and even begin to envision its future. As we continue our journey, let us remember that the universe is not separate from us. It is within us, in every cell, every thought, every aspiration. The atoms that form our bodies were forged in the cores of stars, and the energy that fuels our minds was born in the first moments of creation. We are not strangers to the cosmos, we are its children. And so, we look to the stars, not out of fear, but with hope. Hope that we will find companions among the galaxies. Hope that we will learn to live in harmony with the universe and with each other. Hope that our curiosity, our creativity, and our resilience will carry us forward into a future where the story of the cosmos continues, written by us and by those who come after. The cosmos is vast. It is beautiful. It is mysterious. And it is calling to us, not in words, but in the silent allure of its infinite possibilities. To answer this call is to embrace the essence of what it means to be alive, to wonder, to explore, and to dream. For as long as we do these things, the universe will never truly be silent. It will sing with the voices of those who dare to ask its deepest questions and who strive to uncover its greatest truths. And in doing so, we will find that the cosmos is not just out there, it is within us, forever reflecting the boundless potential of the human spirit. As we reach ever further into the vastness of the cosmos, we are reminded of the dual nature of our journey. It is both outward, into the mysteries of the universe, and inward, into the depths of our own understanding. The stars, distant and ancient, seem to hold the answers to our greatest questions. Yet, they also remind us of questions we have not yet imagined. Each discovery, a new exoplanet, a distant quasar, or a signal from the cosmic microwave background, adds another piece to a puzzle so immense that it spans billions of years and light years. We stand now at a crossroads of knowledge. Technologies like the James Webb Space Telescope and future observatories will peer deeper into space and time than ever before, uncovering galaxies formed when the universe was young, only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. With each photon of light captured, we unravel the story of creation itself, tracing the path from primordial chaos to the intricate order we see today. Yet, the deeper we look, the more we encounter enigmas. Dark energy, the force driving the accelerating expansion of the universe, remains one of the greatest mysteries of modern science. What is its nature? Is it a fundamental property of space itself, or the manifestation of some deeper, unseen mechanism? Likewise, dark matter, an invisible substance that binds galaxies together, challenges our understanding of the cosmos. It does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, yet it exerts a gravitational influence on everything around it. Could it be a new type of particle, an echo of dimensions beyond our perception, or something entirely beyond our current frameworks of thought? These questions are not roadblocks, they are gateways. They remind us that our knowledge, vast as it may seem, is still in its infancy. The universe is not static, it evolves. And so must we. As our understanding deepens, so too does our responsibility. Humanity, though small in the grand scale of the cosmos, possesses a unique power, the ability to act with intention. We are stewards of life, not just on Earth but potentially across the stars. Our actions, our choices, will shape the legacy we leave for future generations and, perhaps, for other forms of life we may encounter. Imagine a future where humanity has spread among the stars, not as conquerors, but as caretakers. Imagine worlds where civilizations flourish under alien suns, connected not by borders or conflict but by a shared desire to explore, to create, and to understand. This is the potential of humanity, a potential born not of fear, but of hope. And yet, for all our ambitions, the universe humbles us. The distances between stars are immense, the energy required to traverse them almost unfathomable. Even at the speed of light, it would take over 4 years to reach the nearest star, Proxima Centauri. And beyond that, the challenges grow exponentially. But we are a species that thrives on challenges. The impossible has always been a temporary barrier, overcome by the boundless creativity of the human mind. The same ingenuity that carried us to the moon and unlocked the secrets of the atom will one day take us to the stars. The journey will not be easy. It will demand sacrifices, collaboration, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. But the rewards are beyond imagination. For as we explore the cosmos, we will not only uncover its secrets, we will also discover ourselves. In the end, the story of the universe is one of connection. The stars are not distant, they are part of us, as we are part of them. The elements that compose our bodies were forged in their fiery cores, and the energy that powers our thoughts was born in the first moments of creation. To explore the cosmos is to honor this connection, to recognize that we are not separate from the universe, but deeply, profoundly intertwined with it. And as we continue this journey, let us carry with us the most powerful force in the universe, not gravity, not electromagnetism, but curiosity. For it is this force that propels us forward, that drives us to ask, to seek, and to dream. The cosmos awaits, vast and eternal. Its secrets are boundless, its beauty infinite. And we, the children of the stars, are its explorers, its storytellers, and its future. Let us journey onward, together, into the infinite. As we venture further into the infinite expanse, the universe reveals itself as both a cradle of life and a realm of infinite possibility. It is a place where the smallest particles dictate the structure of the largest galaxies, where forces invisible to the human eye shape the destiny of stars, and where time itself flows in ways that challenge our deepest intuitions. This is the paradox of the cosmos, it is at once comprehensible and unfathomable. We can chart the motion of planets, decode the chemistry of distant atmospheres, and simulate the conditions of the early universe. Yet, the more we understand, the more we realize how much remains unknown. Take, for instance, the idea of the multiverse. It suggests that our universe, vast as it is, may be only one of countless others, each with its own physical laws and dimensions. In some of these universes, stars might never form. In others, life could arise in forms beyond our wildest imaginings. The multiverse challenges us to think beyond the boundaries of what we can observe, to consider the possibility that reality is far richer than our senses can perceive. And yet, even as we grapple with such grand ideas, the cosmos invites us to marvel at its smallest wonders. Within the quantum realm, particles flicker in and out of existence, bound by probabilities rather than certainties. Here, the rules of the macroscopic world dissolve, replaced by a strange and beautiful dance of energy and potential. It is within this interplay of the infinite and the infinitesimal that we find the essence of the universe, a system governed by elegance and complexity, where chaos and order coexist in perfect balance. This balance is not static, it evolves, just as we evolve. Consider the future of the cosmos itself. Billions of years from now, the stars will exhaust their fuel, leaving the universe a colder, darker place. Galaxies will drift apart, and the very fabric of space will stretch to its limits. This is the fate predicted by current cosmology, a heat death, where all energy is evenly distributed, and nothing can change. But the universe has surprised us before. Could there be phenomena we have yet to discover, forces that might reshape its destiny? Some theories propose a big bounce, where the universe collapses and is reborn in a new cycle. Others suggest that pockets of the cosmos might persist, forming islands of energy in matter amidst the vast darkness. As we contemplate these possibilities, we are reminded that the universe's story is not just one of physical processes, it is a story of transformation. From the chaos of the Big Bang to the emergence of galaxies, stars, and life, the cosmos is an ever-changing tapestry, woven from the threads of time, space, and energy. And in this story, we are not merely observers. We are participants, creators, and dreamers. Our technology, our art, and our imagination are extensions of the universe's own creativity. Through us, the cosmos has found a way to reflect upon itself, to question its origins, and to wonder about its future. This is the ultimate gift of consciousness, the ability to ask, what's next? It is this question that propels us forward, driving us to explore, to learn, and to innovate. Whether we are decoding the light of distant galaxies or building the tools that will carry us to the stars, we are shaping the next chapter of the universe's story. Imagine a distant future where humanity, or its descendants, have ventured far beyond Earth. Imagine starships traversing the void, carrying with them the dreams of a species that dared to leave its home. Imagine new civilizations flourishing on alien worlds, their cultures enriched by the diversity of the cosmos. And imagine that, even in this far-off time, the questions persist. For the universe, vast as it is, will always hold mysteries, secrets that inspire curiosity and ignite the spark of discovery. This is our legacy, to seek, to wonder, and to dream. To look beyond the horizon, knowing that the journey will never truly end. For the cosmos, in all its immensity, is not just a destination, it is a mirror, reflecting the boundless potential within us. The stars await. The universe calls. And we, the children of Stardust, will answer. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, the universe reveals itself not only as a vast expanse of space and time but as a profound teacher. Its lessons come in waves of light, in the faint echoes of ancient radiation, and in the mathematical symphony of its laws. Each discovery adds to a growing narrative, a story of evolution, connection, and infinite potential. The more we learn, the more deeply we understand that the universe is alive with cycles. Stars are born from the collapse of gas clouds, burn with furious energy, and eventually return their elements to the cosmos. These elements become the seeds of new stars, planets, and, in rare cases, life. This cycle is not merely a physical process, it is a cosmic rhythm, a reminder that creation and destruction are interwoven into the fabric of reality. But where does this cycle lead? What is the ultimate destiny of the cosmos? Current observations suggest a universe in perpetual expansion, driven by the mysterious force we call dark energy. Over billions of years, galaxies will drift further apart, their light redshifting until it becomes invisible. Stars will fade, and the cosmos will grow colder and darker. Yet, even in this distant future, hope endures. The universe, we have learned, is a place of surprises. It creates complexity where none should exist. It brings forth life from lifelessness, order from chaos. Perhaps the distant future holds phenomena beyond our comprehension, events that reignite the fire of creation in ways we cannot yet imagine. And while the fate of the cosmos may be written in its physical laws, the story of life within it is unwritten. Life, it seems, is the universe's greatest anomaly, a fleeting burst of complexity and consciousness amidst the vast simplicity of physical forces. On Earth, life has flourished against incredible odds, evolving from simple molecules to beings capable of understanding the stars themselves. If life arose here, could it not arise elsewhere? As we peer into the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, we search for the fingerprints of biology, oxygen, methane, or water vapor that might signal the presence of living worlds. These searches are still in their infancy, but the possibility of finding life beyond Earth is no longer science fiction. Imagine the moment we detect signs of life on another world. Even if it is microbial, the implications would be staggering. It would mean that the universe is not a barren void, but a garden, capable of nurturing life wherever conditions allow. And if we discover intelligent life, beings capable of thought and communication, it would forever alter our understanding of what it means to be human. Yet, even if we find ourselves alone, the universe is no less extraordinary. For in its vastness, it has given rise to us, beings who can ponder its mysteries, appreciate its beauty, and carry its story forward. Alone or not, we are connected to the cosmos in ways both physical and profound. This connection is our greatest gift, and with it comes responsibility. As we explore the stars, we must ensure that we protect the fragile spark of life that exists here on Earth. Our planet is unique, a sanctuary in a cosmos of extremes. It is the cradle of our existence and the foundation of our future. But the stars call to us, and we must answer. To explore the universe is not merely to expand our knowledge, it is to fulfill our destiny as curious, creative beings. It is to carry the light of consciousness into the darkness, to become the eyes and the voice of the cosmos itself. As we look forward, we must remember that the journey will not end with us. We are but one chapter in a story that began billions of years ago and will continue for billions more. The tools we build, the knowledge we share, and the dreams we inspire will shape the explorers who come after us. For the cosmos is not static, it evolves. And through us, it has found a way to not only evolve but to reflect, to question, and to dream. We are the bridge between the universe's past and its future, the means by which it comes to know itself. This is our role, our purpose, to explore, to understand, and to carry the torch of curiosity forward into the infinite. The journey is vast, the challenge is immense, but the rewards are boundless. For in seeking the universe, we find ourselves. And so, we continue, one question, one discovery, one step at a time. The stars await, and the story of the cosmos goes on, written in the light of distant galaxies and in the dreams of those who dare to reach for them. And so, the journey continues, as it must. The cosmos stretches endlessly before us, a boundless canvas of creation and mystery, inviting us to explore its depths and uncover its truths. Every generation of humanity has stood on the shoulders of those before, gazing further into the unknown. From the first ancient stargazers mapping the heavens to the astronomers of today, decoding the faint whispers of distant galaxies, our quest has always been the same, to understand our place in this infinite expanse. But this journey is no longer just about looking up. We are beginning to reach outward, to touch the very fabric of the universe itself. The spacecraft we build are no longer confined to our planet, they traverse the solar system and beyond, carrying with them our curiosity, our hopes, and our questions. Consider Voyager 1, launched in 1977, now traveling through interstellar space, farther from Earth than any human-made object has ever been. On board is the Golden Record, a time capsule of Earth's sounds, music, and images, a message to any beings who might one day find it. This small craft, adrift in the cosmic ocean, is a testament to our desire to connect with the universe, to proclaim, "We were here." And soon, our ambitions will take us even further. Plans to return to the moon, to set foot on Mars, and to explore the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn are no longer distant dreams, they are the first steps in humanity's journey to becoming a multiplanetary species. But as we venture outward, we must also look inward. What will we take with us to the stars? Will it be the divisions and conflicts that have so often defined our history, or will it be the best of what we are, our creativity, our compassion, our shared sense of wonder? The choices we make now will determine the legacy we carry into the cosmos. For the universe is a place of extremes, of unimaginable distances, unyielding forces, and unforgiving environments. To survive and thrive among the stars, we must learn not only to adapt but to collaborate. We must see ourselves not as isolated individuals, tribes, or nations, but as one species, bound together by our shared origins and our shared destiny. And as we forge this path, we must also remember the preciousness of what we leave behind. Earth is unique, a world teeming with life in a cosmos that often seems barren. It is our cradle, our sanctuary, and our responsibility. To journey to the stars is to honor this home, to ensure that its beauty and vitality endure for generations to come. Yet, the stars call to us, and we cannot ignore their pull. They remind us of what is possible, of the boundless potential within us. They inspire us to dream beyond our limits, to imagine futures where humanity thrives among the galaxies, where civilizations rise and flourish under alien suns. And they remind us that we are not separate from the cosmos, we are its expression. The atoms in our bodies, forged in the hearts of ancient stars, connect us to the very fabric of the universe. Through us, the cosmos has found a way to know itself, to reflect on its beauty and its mysteries. This awareness carries with it a profound responsibility. As we explore the universe, we must do so with humility and reverence, recognizing that we are but a small part of a grand and ongoing story. And yet, this small part is extraordinary. For in the vastness of the cosmos, we are a spark of light, a moment of awareness, a voice that asks, what lies beyond? The stars await, and the journey is far from over. There are worlds yet to be discovered, questions yet to be answered, and stories yet to be written. Each step we take, each discovery we make, brings us closer to understanding not only the universe but ourselves. The cosmos is infinite, its possibilities boundless. And we, the children of Stardust, are its explorers, its dreamers, and its storytellers. Let us move forward with courage and curiosity, carrying with us the light of knowledge and the hope of connection. For in the end, the universe is not just a place, it is a reflection of who we are and who we have the potential to become. This is our story. This is the story of the cosmos. And it has only just begun. The story of the cosmos, vast and eternal, is written in the stars, yet its meaning is carried in our hearts. As we look toward the infinite, we find that our journey is not only about reaching the distant corners of space, it is about transcending our own limitations and embracing the boundless potential of what we might become. Each generation has faced its own horizon, its own unknowns. For millennia, the night sky has been our companion, a silent witness to our struggles and triumphs. It has been our guide, our clock, and our canvas for imagination. The stars have inspired myths and mathematics, art and exploration. And now, in this moment of profound technological and scientific capability, we are poised to cross a threshold unlike any before. We are no longer confined to the shores of our world. The moon, once a distant dream, has become a stepping stone. Mars, with its rust-red deserts and frozen plains, calls to us as the next frontier. Beyond it, the gas giants and their icy moons offer the promise of discovery and challenge. Each of these destinations is a chapter waiting to be written, a story of perseverance, ingenuity, and the unyielding desire to explore. But our ambitions extend even further. The search for life beyond Earth compels us to look deeper, to listen more closely. In the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, we hunt for the telltale signs of biology, molecules shaped not by chance, but by the processes of life. In the icy oceans of Europa and Enceladus, we wonder if alien ecosystems thrive in the darkness beneath their frozen crusts. And in the vastness of space, we send out signals, hoping for a reply from civilizations that may share our curiosity, our hope, and our longing to connect. Yet, even as we search for others, we must not lose sight of what we have already found. Here, on Earth, life has flourished in breathtaking diversity, shaped by billions of years of evolution. Each species, each ecosystem, is a testament to the resilience and creativity of nature. It is a reminder that the most extraordinary phenomena of the cosmos are not always found in distant galaxies, they are often right here, beneath our feet and within our grasp. And so, the question arises, what is our role in this grand narrative? Are we merely observers, destined to watch as the universe unfolds? Or are we participants, entrusted with the responsibility to shape its future? The answer lies in our actions. The technologies we develop, the questions we ask, and the values we uphold will determine the legacy we leave behind. We have the power to protect and preserve, to innovate and inspire. We can choose to explore not as conquerors, but as caretakers, carrying with us the lessons of our planet and the hope of building a future that honors the diversity and beauty of the cosmos. As we look to the stars, we must also look inward. For the same forces that shape the universe, gravity, energy, and time, also shape us. The same elements forged in the hearts of stars flow through our veins. We are, in every sense, connected to the cosmos. This connection is both humbling and empowering. It reminds us that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, yet it also reveals the extraordinary power of the human mind and spirit. Through our curiosity, we transform the unknown into understanding. Through our creativity, we turn the impossible into reality. The universe is vast, its mysteries boundless. But we are not daunted by its scale, we are inspired by it. Each star is a challenge, each galaxy an invitation, each unanswered question a spark for discovery. And so, we continue. The journey is not without its challenges, but it is a journey worth taking. For in seeking the cosmos, we seek ourselves. In understanding the universe, we come to understand our own nature, our own potential, and our own place in the infinite expanse. The story of the cosmos is far from over. It stretches endlessly before us, written in the light of distant stars and the dreams of those who gaze upon them. Let us write this story with courage and wonder, with humility and hope. For the universe is not just a destination, it is a reflection of who we are and who we have the potential to become. This is our moment, our opportunity to embrace the infinite. The stars are calling. The journey awaits. And the story of the cosmos continues, with us as its authors. The cosmos, in its silent vastness, offers us more than just a stage for exploration, it offers us perspective. Each star, each galaxy, each particle of dust is part of a story billions of years in the making, a narrative that we have only just begun to understand. Yet, in that understanding lies a profound realization: we are part of that story. Humanity's journey is still in its infancy. Our first steps into space, the moon landings, robotic missions to Mars, and probes venturing into interstellar space, are but the opening sentences in a chapter that could span millennia. What comes next will define not only the future of our species but perhaps the fate of life itself. For life, as we know it, is precious. It is rare, fragile, and fleeting in the grand timeline of the cosmos. Our planet, nestled in the habitable zone of an ordinary star, has provided the perfect conditions for life to thrive. Yet, we know these conditions will not last forever. The sun, while stable now, will one day grow into a red giant, consuming the inner planets and transforming the solar system into an unrecognizable realm. To ensure the survival of life, we must look beyond Earth. We must learn to live on other worlds, to harness the energy of stars, and to navigate the vast distances between them. This is not just a dream, it is a necessity, a path forward for a species that refuses to accept extinction as its fate. But the journey to the stars is not merely about survival. It is about discovery, transformation, and growth. Each world we explore will teach us something new, not just about the cosmos, but about ourselves. The challenges we face in building habitats on Mars, mining resources from asteroids, or traveling to distant stars will force us to innovate, to collaborate, and to reimagine what is possible. And as we venture outward, we will carry with us the legacy of Earth. Our cultures, our histories, our art, and our science will become part of the tapestry of the universe. We will leave footprints on alien soils, build cities under unfamiliar skies, and create new stories that connect us to the stars. Yet, even as we expand our horizons, we must remember the importance of stewardship. Earth is our home, the cradle of our existence. It has nurtured us for billions of years, providing the resources and stability we needed to flourish. To leave Earth behind without safeguarding its future would be to forget our origins, to sever the roots that connect us to the very life we seek to preserve. The cosmos demands balance, between exploration and preservation, between curiosity and caution, between ambition and humility. For while we are extraordinary in our capacity to dream and to create, we are also finite, bound by the limits of our knowledge and the fragility of our existence. But it is precisely this fragility that makes our journey so meaningful. In a universe so vast, so ancient, the emergence of life, conscious, curious, creative life, is nothing short of miraculous. We are, as far as we know, the only beings capable of contemplating the stars, of seeking answers to the deepest questions of existence. What is our purpose? What is the ultimate destiny of the cosmos? Are we alone, or are there others out there, waiting to be discovered? These questions are not just scientific, they are existential. They speak to the very essence of what it means to be human. And the answers, if they exist, will not come easily. They will require patience, perseverance, and an unyielding commitment to the pursuit of knowledge. But they will also require something even more fundamental: hope. Hope that the challenges we face, on Earth and beyond, can be overcome. Hope that the universe is not indifferent, but alive with possibilities. Hope that, in the vastness of space, we will find not only new worlds but new ways of understanding ourselves and our place in the cosmos. For the journey to the stars is not just a journey outward, it is a journey inward. It is a quest to understand the universe, to embrace its beauty and its mystery, and to become part of its ongoing creation. The cosmos is calling, as it always has. Its light reaches across the void, igniting our imaginations and inspiring our dreams. Let us answer that call, not with fear, but with wonder. Let us embrace the infinite, not as a challenge to conquer, but as a source of endless possibility. For in the end, the story of the cosmos is our story. It is a tale of stardust and consciousness, of curiosity and creation. And it is far from over. The stars await. The journey continues. And the universe, in all its vastness, beckons us onward, into the infinite. And so, we continue, driven by a boundless curiosity to understand the universe and ourselves. Each new discovery, no matter how small, expands our knowledge and deepens our connection to the cosmos. Yet, for every answer we uncover, the mysteries seem to grow, like an infinite horizon that retreats as we advance. Consider the question of time. To us, time flows in one direction, from the past through the present to the future. But the universe tells a more complex story. In the quantum world, particles seem to move in ways that defy the arrow of time. Near a black hole, time slows dramatically, distorted by the immense pull of gravity. And on the grandest scales, time is intertwined with space, forming a single fabric that stretches and bends under the influence of mass and energy. What does this mean for us, beings who experience time as fleeting moments? Could it be that the universe, in its entirety, exists all at once, with past, present, and future coexisting in ways we cannot yet comprehend? And if so, what is our role in this eternal tapestry? Are we creators of the future, or mere witnesses to a reality already written? These questions touch on the deepest mysteries of existence, and yet they are not beyond our reach. Through the relentless pursuit of science, we continue to push the boundaries of what is knowable. Telescopes allow us to peer into the distant past, to witness the birth of stars and galaxies billions of years ago. Particle accelerators let us probe the fundamental building blocks of matter, revealing the forces that shape the universe. But as we learn more about the cosmos, we are reminded of its dual nature: it is both a physical reality and a source of profound inspiration. The stars are not just points of light, they are symbols of possibility. The galaxies are not just collections of matter, they are vast realms of potential, each one a reminder that the universe is far richer and more complex than we can imagine. And what of life? Here on Earth, life has taken countless forms, evolving over billions of years to adapt to every corner of the planet. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from scorching deserts to frozen tundras, life finds a way. This resilience, this creativity, is a testament to the power of nature. If life can thrive here, under such diverse and challenging conditions, might it also thrive elsewhere? Could the icy oceans of Europa harbor strange, aquatic ecosystems? Could the methane lakes of Titan support entirely new forms of biology? Could the distant planets of other stars be home to beings as curious and creative as we are? The search for extraterrestrial life is not just a scientific endeavor, it is a quest to understand our own uniqueness and our place in the cosmos. If we find life elsewhere, we will know that the universe is not indifferent to biology, that the spark of life can ignite wherever conditions allow. And if we find no one else, we will come to understand just how precious, how extraordinary, our own existence truly is. Yet, even as we search the stars, we must not lose sight of the challenges we face here at home. Climate change, resource scarcity, and conflict remind us that our survival is not guaranteed. To explore the cosmos is to take responsibility for our planet, to ensure that it remains a sanctuary for life even as we reach for the stars. This balance, between exploration and preservation, between ambition and humility, is the key to our future. The universe is vast, but it is not infinite in opportunity. Every decision we make, every step we take, shapes the path forward. And so, we must move forward with care and courage. The cosmos is not a blank slate, it is a living system, shaped by the same forces that created us. To explore it is to embrace our role as both students and stewards, as seekers of truth and guardians of life. For in the end, the universe is not something we can conquer or control. It is something we are part of, something we belong to. It is the source of our atoms, the stage of our existence, and the destination of our dreams. The stars are calling, as they always have. They remind us that we are more than the sum of our challenges, that we are explorers, creators, and dreamers. They urge us to look beyond our limitations, to imagine what is possible, and to reach for it with all the determination and wonder that makes us human. The story of the cosmos is far from over. It is a story of light and darkness, of creation and destruction, of questions and answers. And it is a story that we are writing, one discovery, one step, one dream at a time. Let us continue this journey, knowing that the path ahead is as infinite as the stars themselves. For in seeking the universe, we find ourselves. And in finding ourselves, we give meaning to the infinite. The cosmos is a masterpiece of contradictions, infinite in scope, yet governed by precise laws, chaotic in its vastness, yet exquisitely ordered at every scale. As we journey through its mysteries, we find ourselves drawn into a narrative that is as much about our understanding of the universe as it is about our understanding of ourselves. Consider the scale of what we have already discovered. From the smallest particles, which flicker in and out of existence, to supermassive black holes that anchor entire galaxies, the universe operates on a spectrum of extremes. These seemingly disparate phenomena are bound together by the same fundamental forces, revealing a unity that transcends the chaos. And yet, the universe does not reveal its secrets easily. Dark energy drives the accelerating expansion of space, a force so mysterious that we cannot yet fathom its origin or purpose. Dark matter, unseen but omnipresent, shapes the cosmos on the largest scales. Together, they make up over 95% of the universe, reminding us that the majority of reality remains hidden from our senses and our instruments. This mystery is not a barrier, it is an invitation. The unknown beckons us to explore, to ask questions, and to push beyond the limits of our understanding. For each question we answer leads to new horizons, new challenges, and new possibilities. Nowhere is this more evident than in our search for life beyond Earth. The discovery of thousands of exoplanets has revolutionized our understanding of planetary systems. Some of these worlds orbit their stars at just the right distance, where temperatures allow for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. But even as we search the skies, we must remember that life might not conform to our expectations. It could thrive in environments that seem hostile to us, relying on chemistries and energies that challenge our current knowledge. To find such life would not only expand our understanding of biology but also force us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Imagine standing on an alien shore, beneath a sky lit by the light of another star. Imagine seeing ecosystems unlike anything on Earth, forms of life that have evolved along paths we have not yet dreamed. To witness this would be to understand, in the most profound way, the diversity and creativity of the universe. Yet, whether or not we find life beyond Earth, our own existence is a miracle. The atoms in our bodies, forged in the hearts of ancient stars, have come together in a way that allows us to think, to feel, and to wonder. We are the universe made conscious, a means by which it reflects on itself. This consciousness gives us a profound responsibility. As we explore the stars, we must ensure that our actions honor the beauty and fragility of life. The cosmos may seem indifferent, but through us, it has found a voice that can choose to protect and nurture, to create and to sustain. This responsibility extends not only to the stars but also to Earth. Our planet is a sanctuary, a rare oasis in a universe of extremes. It is the foundation of all we are and all we might become. To venture outward is not to abandon Earth, but to ensure that its legacy endures, that the life it has fostered continues to thrive. As we look to the future, the challenges are immense. Interstellar travel, terraforming, and the creation of sustainable off-world habitats require innovations that border on the impossible. But history has shown that humanity thrives when faced with the impossible. The same ingenuity that unlocked the power of the atom, decoded the human genome, and sent probes beyond the solar system will one day carry us to the stars. And when we reach those stars, we will carry with us more than technology. We will carry our stories, our art, our hopes, and our dreams. We will bring with us the essence of what it means to be human, adding our voice to the cosmic symphony. For the universe is not just a collection of matter and energy, it is a canvas for possibility, a stage for the emergence of meaning. Through our curiosity and creativity, we transform the cosmos into something more than what it is. The journey ahead is vast, but it is also intimate. It is a journey of connection, to the stars, to each other, and to the deepest truths of existence. For in seeking the universe, we seek ourselves. And in understanding ourselves, we find the universe. The story of the cosmos is still unfolding. It is written in the light of distant galaxies, in the motion of planets, and in the dreams of those who gaze upward. Let us continue to write this story, guided by wonder, inspired by curiosity, and driven by hope. The stars are calling, as they always have. The infinite awaits, and we, the children of Stardust, are ready to take the next step. This is our moment. This is our journey. And this is the story of the cosmos, carried forward into the endless future. The story of the cosmos is far from complete, and as we turn the next pages, we find ourselves at the threshold of possibilities that stretch beyond imagination. This journey is not simply one of distance or discovery, it is a journey into the very essence of existence. Each step we take deeper into the universe is a step further into understanding the forces that shaped us. From the gravity that binds galaxies to the quantum fluctuations that ripple through spacetime, the cosmos reveals a universe of profound complexity and simplicity intertwined. As humanity begins to look beyond our solar system, the enormity of interstellar travel looms before us. The distances between stars are staggering, measured not in miles or kilometers but in light-years, distances so vast that even the fastest spacecraft we have built would take tens of thousands of years to reach our nearest stellar neighbor. And yet, this challenge is not insurmountable. Innovations in propulsion, such as solar sails, nuclear fusion drives, and even speculative technologies like warp drives, hint at a future where the stars are within reach. These technologies are not just the dreams of science fiction, they are the logical next steps in our evolution as explorers. But what lies beyond the technological barriers is something even greater, the philosophical and ethical challenges of becoming a spacefaring civilization. What will it mean to colonize other worlds? How will we respect and protect the ecosystems we might find? And how will we ensure that our expansion into the stars does not repeat the mistakes of our history on Earth? These questions are not distractions, they are central to our mission. The universe is vast, but it is not infinite in opportunity. Every choice we make as we expand outward will shape the legacy we leave for future generations. Imagine a time when humanity has established itself among the stars. Our descendants might live on planets orbiting distant suns, their cities illuminated by the light of alien skies. They might explore the swirling arms of the Milky Way, charting its countless stars and discovering its hidden treasures. In this distant future, what stories will they tell of us? Will we be remembered as the generation that dared to step into the unknown, as the dreamers who reached for the stars and built a bridge between worlds? Or will we be remembered for our failures to act, our inability to see beyond the conflicts and limitations of our time? The answer depends on the choices we make today. For the journey to the stars is not merely a scientific or technological endeavor, it is a test of our vision, our values, and our capacity to work together as one species. The universe has waited billions of years for beings like us to emerge, beings capable of curiosity, creativity, and compassion. Now, as we take our first steps beyond our planetary cradle, we carry with us not just the hopes of our species but the legacy of the cosmos itself. For we are not separate from the universe, we are its expression. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the fiery cores of stars. The energy that powers our thoughts was born in the first moments of creation. Through us, the universe has become aware of itself, capable of reflecting on its own beauty and mystery. This awareness gives us a unique responsibility. As we explore the cosmos, we must do so with humility and reverence, recognizing that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. And as we build the future, we must do so with the understanding that our actions today will echo through time, shaping the story of the cosmos for generations to come. The stars await, and with them, the answers to questions we have not yet asked. What is the ultimate fate of the universe? What lies beyond the boundaries of the observable cosmos? Are there other forms of life, other intelligences, other stories unfolding in parallel with our own? These questions are not merely scientific, they are existential. They challenge us to look beyond the horizon of our knowledge and to imagine what lies beyond. They remind us that the universe is not static, it is alive with potential, with opportunities for discovery and connection. As we continue this journey, let us remember that the cosmos is more than a collection of stars and galaxies, it is a reflection of ourselves. In seeking the universe, we find not only answers but meaning. In exploring the infinite, we discover the limitless potential within us. This is our calling. This is our purpose. To embrace the cosmos with open eyes and open hearts, to carry the light of knowledge into the darkness, and to write the next chapter of the greatest story ever told. The journey is just beginning. The stars are waiting. And the infinite lies ahead, ready to be explored. The journey ahead, vast and immeasurable, calls to us with a quiet urgency. As the light of distant stars reaches our eyes, it reminds us that we are not bound by the limits of our time, but by the boundaries of our imagination. To push beyond these boundaries is to embrace our role as explorers, storytellers, and caretakers of the cosmos. The challenges of interstellar travel, though formidable, are not beyond our reach. For centuries, humanity has transformed the impossible into the inevitable. Once, the idea of flying was a dream. The thought of leaving Earth's atmosphere was inconceivable. Yet today, satellites orbit our planet, probes traverse the solar system, and telescopes peer into the very birth of the universe. But the stars lie far beyond even these achievements. To reach them, we must rethink the very nature of travel. Light sails propelled by lasers, fusion-powered engines, or even concepts as speculative as warp drives and wormholes are no longer confined to the pages of science fiction. They represent the cutting edge of theoretical and experimental science, the keys to unlocking the next phase of human exploration. Yet, the physical challenges of the journey are only part of the equation. Equally profound are the philosophical and ethical questions that come with venturing into the unknown. If we find a habitable world, what will our relationship to it be? Will we respect it as a sanctuary, or will we repeat the mistakes of our past, treating it as a resource to be exploited? And what if we find life? Even the simplest microbial organism would be a revelation, proof that we are not alone in the universe. But how would we approach such life? Would we see it as a partner in the cosmic journey, or would we risk disturbing its delicate balance in our quest for knowledge? The universe is not just a destination, it is a responsibility. Every step we take outward must be balanced with care, humility, and an understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. For in the vast web of the cosmos, each star, each planet, and each living being plays a part in the greater whole. As we contemplate these questions, we must also remember the importance of Earth, our home and the cradle of all we know. It is from this small blue planet that we launch our dreams. It is here that life, in all its diversity, has flourished against the odds. And it is here that we must build the foundation for our future among the stars. This foundation is not just scientific, it is cultural, ethical, and philosophical. The stories we tell, the values we uphold, and the vision we carry forward will shape the path of humanity for millennia to come. As we journey outward, we must take with us the best of what we are, our creativity, our compassion, and our unyielding curiosity. And in doing so, we will carry forward the legacy of the cosmos itself. For we are not separate from the universe, we are its expression. The atoms that compose our bodies, the energy that fuels our thoughts, the spark of life that drives us to explore, all are born of the same processes that shape the stars and galaxies. This connection is our greatest strength. It reminds us that the universe is not a cold and indifferent void, but a place of infinite potential. It is a realm where stars give birth to planets, where planets give rise to life, and where life dares to reach for the stars. Imagine a future where humanity thrives among the stars. Cities glowing beneath alien skies, spacecraft moving gracefully through the void, civilizations connected not by borders but by shared purpose. Imagine the stories we will tell, the discoveries we will make, and the understanding we will gain, not only of the cosmos but of ourselves. This is not a distant dream, it is a vision of what could be, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring spirit of exploration. The stars are waiting. The universe, vast and eternal, calls to us. And we, the children of Stardust, must answer, not with fear, but with wonder. Not with hesitation, but with hope. For in seeking the infinite, we find our purpose. In exploring the unknown, we become more than we are. And in understanding the cosmos, we give meaning to its endless expanse. This is the story of the universe. This is the story of us. And it has only just begun. The story of the cosmos is a story without end, and as its newest chapter unfolds, we stand on the precipice of profound transformation. To explore the universe is not merely to expand outward, it is to expand inward, to deepen our understanding of what it means to be alive, aware, and connected to a reality far greater than ourselves. The stars, though distant and silent, whisper ancient truths. They remind us that the universe is a continuum, a seamless flow of creation and destruction, chaos and order. Every star that shines, every galaxy that spins, every atom that vibrates contributes to a symphony that has been playing for over 13.8 billion years. But what of the notes yet to be written? Humanity, with its unique capacity for imagination and discovery, is poised to become a composer in this cosmic symphony. We are not mere spectators, we are participants, capable of shaping the universe's story in ways no other known life form can. Our journey to the stars is more than an exercise in exploration, it is a leap into the unknown, an embrace of uncertainty. Each question we ask, each answer we uncover, pushes the boundaries of what we thought possible. Yet the unknown is not something to fear, it is a gift, a reminder that the universe's greatest treasures lie beyond the horizon of our understanding. One of the most profound mysteries we face is the question of life itself. How did it begin? What conditions allowed inert matter to awaken into something capable of thought and emotion? Here on Earth, life arose in the oceans, nurtured by the warmth of the sun and the chemistry of our planet. But could life arise in other forms, in other places, under conditions utterly alien to us? The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most inspiring endeavors of our time. With every passing year, we discover more exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars, some of which lie in the habitable zones where liquid water might exist. These planets, scattered across the galaxy, are no longer just points of light. They are potential homes, bearing the promise of life and the hope of connection. Imagine the moment we discover the first undeniable sign of life beyond Earth. It could be a microbe, a chemical signature in an alien atmosphere, or even a signal from an advanced civilization. That moment would redefine everything. It would remind us that life is not confined to a single planet, that the universe is alive with possibilities. But what if the cosmos remains silent? What if we are alone, the only sparks of consciousness in an otherwise indifferent void? This too would carry profound meaning. It would place upon us an extraordinary responsibility, to ensure that the flame of life and awareness continues to burn, to cherish the uniqueness of our existence and protect it for all time. And yet, the silence of the cosmos may not be emptiness. It may be the stillness of a garden at dawn, waiting for new life to awaken. It may be that we, as explorers and creators, are part of a grand unfolding, one in which life spreads from star to star, transforming the universe into a living tapestry. This vision is not just science, it is philosophy, art, and poetry. It is the recognition that the universe's greatest mystery is not out there but within us. For we are the cosmos made conscious, capable of reflecting on its beauty and contemplating its purpose. As we continue our journey, let us do so with humility and wonder. The challenges we face, technological, ethical, and philosophical, are immense, but they are also opportunities. They are chances to grow, to collaborate, and to become something greater than we are. The stars are waiting, their light a testament to the passage of time and the endurance of existence. As we reach for them, let us remember that the universe is not separate from us. It is our home, our origin, and our destiny. And as we look to the infinite, let us also look to each other. For in the vastness of space, it is our connections, our shared dreams and collective efforts, that will carry us forward. Together, we can write the next chapter of the cosmos, a chapter of exploration, creativity, and hope. The journey is far from over. It is a journey of light and shadow, of questions and answers, of beginnings and endings. And it is a journey that will continue as long as there are those who dare to dream. The stars are calling. The universe awaits. And we, the children of Stardust, will answer, not with hesitation, but with purpose. For in seeking the cosmos, we seek ourselves. And in understanding the infinite, we find the meaning of existence. The stars call to us with a silent urgency, and as we prepare to answer, we must ask ourselves, what legacy will we leave in the cosmic sands of time? The universe is vast, but it is not indifferent. Through us, it has found a voice, a way to ponder its own mysteries and to shape its own future. Each step humanity takes outward, beyond the confines of Earth, carries with it profound implications. We are no longer bound to a single world, vulnerable to the whims of nature or the limitations of a single star. We are beginning to reach out, not only to survive but to thrive, to discover, and to become stewards of the universe itself. But the journey to the stars is not one of conquest. It is a journey of understanding and responsibility. With every world we touch, we must ask, what is our role here? If we find barren landscapes, will we breathe life into them, terraforming them into oases of possibility? And if we find life already present, will we respect its right to exist, to evolve, and to flourish, just as we have on Earth? The ethical dimensions of our cosmic journey are as important as the technological ones. The universe is not just a resource, it is a home, a sanctuary of potential that must be approached with reverence. As we venture into this sanctuary, we carry the hopes and dreams of a species, as well as the responsibility to act as caretakers, not conquerors. Imagine the first steps of humanity on another Earth-like planet. Imagine standing under alien skies, breathing an atmosphere that feels both familiar and strange. The soil beneath your feet might harbor the seeds of a new civilization, or the remnants of an ancient one. Every moment would be a testament to the courage and ingenuity that brought us there, and to the shared vision that made it possible. But this vision cannot be achieved in isolation. The challenges of interstellar travel, of building sustainable off-world habitats, and of navigating the vastness of space demand unity, a unity that transcends borders, cultures, and histories. For the stars belong to no one and to everyone. They are a shared inheritance, a reminder that we are one species, bound by a common origin and a shared destiny. As we build this future, we must also look inward. The universe, for all its immensity, reflects the struggles and triumphs within ourselves. It teaches us patience, for the light of distant stars takes millions of years to reach us. It teaches us humility, for we are but a small part of a much larger story. And it teaches us hope, for even in its vastness, the universe has brought forth life, consciousness, and the desire to understand. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence adds another layer to this journey. If we find others, beings who, like us, have looked to the stars and wondered, what will we say to them? How will we communicate the essence of who we are? Will we find common ground in our shared curiosity, or will their existence challenge everything we know about life and consciousness? And if the universe remains silent, what then? Would that silence make us unique, or would it mean we must carry the light of awareness alone, ensuring that life's story continues, even if we are its only narrators? The cosmos poses these questions, not as barriers, but as invitations. They compel us to reflect, to innovate, and to act with purpose. For in the end, the journey to the stars is not just about exploration, it is about transformation. As we venture into the infinite, we are not only discovering the universe, we are discovering ourselves. We are uncovering the potential for unity, creativity, and resilience that lies within us. And we are shaping a future where humanity is not confined to a single world, but spread across the stars, connected by a shared sense of wonder and responsibility. The universe awaits, vast and eternal. Its secrets are endless, its beauty infinite. And as we take our first steps into this grand expanse, we must remember that the journey itself is the greatest reward. For the cosmos is not just a destination, it is a reflection of who we are and who we have the potential to become. The stars call to us, and we must answer with hope, with courage, and with the understanding that we are not separate from the universe. We are its expression, its explorers, and its storytellers. This is our moment. This is our journey. And the story of the cosmos continues, written not only in the light of distant stars but in the hearts and minds of those who dare to reach for them. As we chart our course into the vast unknown, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment in the story of the cosmos. This is not just a journey of expansion, it is a journey of purpose. Each new frontier we reach, every light year we cross, challenges us to redefine our role within this universe we call home. The first whispers of interstellar travel are beginning to take shape in our laboratories and imaginations. Scientists are designing spacecraft that might one day traverse the immense distances between stars. Concepts like solar sails, fusion propulsion, and even speculative ideas like warp drives offer a glimpse of how we might overcome the seemingly insurmountable barriers of space and time. But to venture to the stars is not simply a technical endeavor, it is a test of our endurance and vision. The vastness of space demands not only innovative engineering but also a profound shift in perspective. Journeys spanning decades or centuries will require a commitment to something larger than ourselves, a belief in the continuation of a story that we may not live to see completed. Imagine the first-generation ship, a self-sustaining vessel carrying humanity's hopes across the void. A world unto itself, it would be home to thousands, perhaps millions, of individuals who might never set foot on another planet. They would live and work, raise families, and build a culture among the stars, knowing that their destination lies far beyond their lifetimes. Such missions would demand more than technology, they would demand unity, resilience, and a shared sense of purpose. These travelers would carry with them not just the tools of survival, but the stories, art, and values that define what it means to be human. They would represent humanity not as isolated individuals, but as a collective, bound by a shared dream of discovery and connection. And what of the worlds they might find? Could there be other Earths, orbiting distant suns, waiting to welcome new life? Or would these pioneers arrive at barren landscapes, planets untouched by biology but rich with the potential for transformation? Terraforming, reshaping a planet to make it habitable, is a concept that bridges science and imagination. It is an audacious idea, one that requires not only immense technological power but also profound ethical consideration. To transform a lifeless world into a thriving ecosystem is to play the role of creators, to take responsibility for the future of an entire planet. But this responsibility is not without risks. What if we disturb a delicate balance, unknowingly extinguishing the seeds of alien life in our quest to create something familiar? The ethics of terraforming remind us that exploration is not just about what we can do, it is about what we should do. As we contemplate these questions, we must also prepare for the possibility of encountering other civilizations. The discovery of intelligent life beyond Earth would be the most profound event in human history, moment that would redefine our understanding of existence. How would we communicate? What stories would we share? What could we learn from beings whose history, biology, and perspectives are entirely different from our own? And what responsibilities would we bear in such an encounter? The universe has likely hosted countless stories of life, intelligence, and civilizations rising and falling across billions of years. To find even a trace of another's journey would connect us to something far greater than ourselves, a cosmic tapestry woven from the threads of countless lives and worlds. And yet, even in the absence of such a discovery, the cosmos remains extraordinary. If we are alone, it makes our role all the more significant. It means we are the caretakers of a rare and precious spark of consciousness in a universe of unimaginable scale. This understanding places a weight on our shoulders but also fills us with purpose. We are not just explorers, we are preservers of life, carriers of knowledge, and architects of the future. The stars await, and with them, the opportunity to expand not just our horizons, but our understanding of what it means to exist. To explore the cosmos is to embrace uncertainty, to seek connection, and to celebrate the infinite potential of the universe, and of ourselves. This is our legacy, our contribution to the story of the cosmos. As we reach for the stars, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of those who came before, and the promise of those who will follow. The journey is far from over. It has only just begun. The universe calls, vast and eternal, and we, the children of Stardust, will answer, not with hesitation, but with wonder. For in seeking the infinite, we find not only new worlds but a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the grand expanse of existence. The journey to the stars is not merely a voyage through space, it is a journey through time, through possibility, and through the depths of human potential. As we venture further into the cosmos, we are faced with questions that challenge not only our understanding of the universe but our understanding of ourselves. The concept of encountering other civilizations, should it become reality, would forever alter the trajectory of human history. If we were to receive a signal from an intelligent species, a simple pattern of numbers, a transmission encoded with their culture, or even a fleeting acknowledgement across the vastness of space, how would we respond? Such a moment would be a profound reminder that we are not the sole thinkers in the universe, that the spark of consciousness has ignited elsewhere. It would expand our notion of community, transforming it from a planetary perspective to a cosmic one. We would be called upon to define humanity not by our divisions but by our shared identity as part of a greater tapestry of intelligent life. But what if the universe remains silent? What if, despite our best efforts, we find no trace of others? This, too, carries profound implications. It would make our existence, here and now, an even greater responsibility. It would mean that we are the keepers of a rare and fragile phenomenon, the emergence of life and consciousness in a universe dominated by inanimate matter. In such a scenario, the stars would still call to us. Not as places to find others, but as places to carry life itself, to seed the universe with creativity, with curiosity, and with the unyielding drive to explore. In this vision, humanity becomes not just a species, but a force of transformation, spreading the legacy of Earth across the cosmos. Terraforming, for example, is not just an engineering challenge, it is an act of creation. It is the process of breathing life into barren worlds, of turning desolation into vitality. Imagine standing on Mars, watching as its skies turn blue and its dry riverbeds fill with water, as ecosystems take root in its soil and a new chapter of life begins. This vision, however, is not without its challenges. The act of reshaping a world raises ethical questions that we must confront. Do we have the right to alter a planet for our benefit? What if we unknowingly disrupt a nascent ecosystem, or extinguish the potential for native life? These questions remind us that exploration is not just about what we can achieve, it is about how we achieve it. As we venture into the universe, we must carry with us not only our technology but our values. We must act as stewards, treating the cosmos not as a resource to be exploited but as a partner in the ongoing story of creation. And as we contemplate these distant possibilities, we must not forget the immediate challenges we face here on Earth. Climate change, resource depletion, and conflict threaten the very foundation of our existence. To ensure that we reach the stars, we must first ensure the survival of our home. Earth is unique, a sanctuary in a universe of extremes. It is the cradle of life as we know it, the source of every story, every discovery, every dream. To leave Earth behind without safeguarding its future would be to sever the roots of our journey, to forget the lessons of our origin. But the stars remind us that we are capable of great things. They remind us that we are more than the sum of our challenges, more than the limitations of our time. They remind us that we are part of a story that began long before us and will continue long after we are gone. This story is not static, it is evolving. From the first atoms that formed after the Big Bang to the rise of civilizations, the universe has been in constant motion, creating, destroying, and recreating. We are a part of this process, a brief but extraordinary chapter in the cosmic narrative. As we write the next chapter, let us do so with care and courage. Let us explore not out of fear, but out of hope. Let us reach for the stars not to escape our past, but to build a future worthy of our potential. The cosmos awaits, filled with mysteries and possibilities beyond our imagining. The light of distant galaxies carries stories of creation, transformation, and endless wonder. And as we step into the infinite, we become part of that light, part of the universe's unending journey. For in seeking the cosmos, we do not merely explore the external, we explore the infinite within ourselves. We discover what it means to dream, to strive, and to belong to something greater than ourselves. The stars are calling, and the journey is far from over. Let us answer, not with hesitation, but with wonder. For this is our story, the story of the cosmos, and it has only just begun. The story of the cosmos unfolds with every step we take, revealing not only the grandeur of the universe but the boundless potential of human imagination. As we continue our journey, it becomes clear that the challenges we face are as much internal as they are external. To explore the stars is to transform ourselves, to evolve, to adapt, and to unite in pursuit of a shared vision. Imagine a future where humanity has taken its first steps beyond the solar system. Starships, built through centuries of ingenuity, glide silently through the interstellar void, powered by technologies that today exist only as theories. These vessels are more than machines, they are ecosystems, sustaining generations of explorers who have dedicated their lives to the unknown. On board, life thrives in carefully balanced harmony. Crops grow under artificial suns, recycling carbon dioxide into oxygen. Advanced artificial intelligence supports human decision-making, monitoring the ship's systems and ensuring the crew's survival. But these ships are not merely functional, they are cultural hubs, carrying with them the art, history, and dreams of Earth. They are living testaments to humanity's resilience and creativity. Such journeys demand more than technological prowess, they require profound psychological and social adaptation. Generations born aboard these starships would never know Earth, yet they would carry its legacy. Their cultures would evolve in isolation, shaped by the unique conditions of their environment. How would they view their mission, their ancestors, and the stars themselves? The challenges of long-term interstellar travel highlight the importance of unity and cooperation. A mission of this scale is not the endeavor of a single nation or organization, it is a planetary effort. It requires the pooling of resources, the sharing of knowledge, and the recognition that humanity's survival and progress are a collective endeavor. But the journey does not end with the arrival at a distant star. Upon reaching a new system, the real work begins. Explorers must survey alien worlds, decipher their atmospheres, and assess their potential for life. They must confront the unknown with both curiosity and caution, understanding that even the smallest mistake could have catastrophic consequences. And if they find life, whether microbial or intelligent, their mission takes on an entirely new dimension. Contact with extraterrestrial life would not only expand our understanding of biology but redefine our place in the universe. How would we communicate with beings whose experiences and perceptions might differ radically from our own? How would we ensure that our interactions are guided by respect, empathy, and mutual understanding? Even in the absence of life, the act of colonizing a new world is fraught with ethical and practical complexities. Terraforming, a process that might take centuries or millennia, requires altering an alien ecosystem, potentially destroying any native potential for life. The decision to reshape a planet must be weighed carefully, with consideration for both the needs of humanity and the sanctity of the universe's natural diversity. Yet, the promise of creating a new home among the stars is undeniable. Imagine standing on the surface of a transformed planet, watching as its skies turn blue and its barren landscapes flourish with life. Imagine children growing up on worlds orbiting distant suns, their lives shaped by the knowledge that they are part of something far greater than themselves. Back on Earth, the impact of such achievements would be profound. The knowledge that humanity has transcended its planetary boundaries would inspire new generations to dream bigger, to push further. The challenges of interstellar exploration would drive advancements in energy, materials, and biology that could transform life on Earth, addressing some of our most pressing global issues. The stars remind us that we are capable of extraordinary things. They call us to reach beyond our limitations, to embrace the unknown with courage and curiosity. But they also remind us of the fragility and beauty of our home. Earth, with its oceans, forests, and skies, is a sanctuary in a universe of extremes. As we reach for the stars, we must ensure that our journey honors the planet that made it possible. We must preserve its ecosystems, protect its diversity, and nurture the life it has fostered for billions of years. The journey to the stars is not about escape, it is about expansion, about carrying the essence of Earth into the cosmos. It is about ensuring that the light of life continues to shine, even in the farthest reaches of space. And so, the story of the cosmos continues. It is a story of questions and answers, of exploration and transformation. It is a story written in the language of science, art, and philosophy, carried forward by the dreams of those who dare to imagine what lies beyond the horizon. The stars await, and with them, the next chapters of our journey. Let us write those chapters with courage, with wonder, and with the understanding that we are not separate from the universe, we are its expression, its explorers, and its storytellers. For in seeking the infinite, we find not only the universe but ourselves. The cosmos is calling, and we must answer, not with hesitation, but with hope. For this is our moment, our journey, and our legacy. The story of the cosmos is ours to write, and it has only just begun. The story of the cosmos stretches endlessly before us, a narrative waiting to be written with each step we take into the unknown. As humanity gazes upward, propelled by curiosity and fueled by ingenuity, we begin to comprehend the immensity of the challenge, and the beauty of the journey. The stars we see at night are not just distant beacons, they are ancient time capsules, their light traveling across millennia to reach us. Every photon carries with it the history of its origin, whispering tales of creation, destruction, and transformation. To look at the cosmos is to peer into the past, to glimpse moments frozen in the fabric of time. And yet, as we unravel these stories, we also shape the future. Our technology, from telescopes that penetrate the depths of space to probes that venture beyond our solar system, transforms the universe from a distant spectacle into a realm of possibilities. With each discovery, the universe becomes less an expanse to observe and more a frontier to explore. But this frontier is vast, so vast that even our boldest ambitions pale in comparison to its scale. The distances between stars, measured in light years, stretch our understanding of time and space. The challenges of reaching even the nearest stellar neighbors are immense, demanding not only technological breakthroughs but a shift in how we perceive our place in the universe. Yet, humanity has always thrived in the face of impossibility. The history of exploration is a testament to our resilience, our creativity, and our refusal to accept limits. From the first humans who crossed unknown oceans to the scientists who unlocked the secrets of the atom, each leap forward has been driven by a shared belief that the unknown is worth pursuing. And so, we dream of starships, vessels capable of traversing the void between suns. Powered by fusion reactors, solar sails, or technologies yet to be invented, these ships would carry humanity's hopes and dreams across the stars. But they would also carry something more profound, the essence of what it means to be human. On board these starships, life would take on new forms. Cultures would evolve, shaped by the isolation of the journey in the unique conditions of the stars they approach. Generations would be born and die without ever setting foot on a planet, yet they would live with the knowledge that they are pioneers, part of a lineage that stretches back to Earth and forward to the infinite. And when they arrive, what then? The discovery of a new world, orbiting a distant sun, would mark the beginning of a new chapter. These explorers would become settlers, tasked with building a future in an alien environment. Every decision they make, what to preserve, what to change, how to adapt, would shape the story of that world and its connection to humanity's broader narrative. But not every world will be lifeless. Somewhere in the vastness of the galaxy, there may be planets teeming with life, their ecosystems as diverse and intricate as Earth's. The discovery of such a world would be both a triumph and a challenge. How would we interact with life that evolved in a context so different from our own? Would we see it as a curiosity, a partner, or a mirror reflecting the possibilities of existence? And what if we find civilizations? The meeting of two intelligent species, each with its history, culture, and perspective, would be a moment unparalleled in significance. It would force us to confront the limits of our understanding and redefine what it means to be human. In the face of the unfamiliar, we would be called to find common ground, to build bridges not just of technology but of empathy and shared purpose. Even in the absence of others, the act of exploring the cosmos transforms us. The challenges we face in reaching the stars, overcoming vast distances, surviving in hostile environments, creating sustainable systems, force us to innovate in ways that benefit all of humanity. The technologies we develop for space travel can address problems here on Earth, from energy and resource management to climate resilience and global cooperation. The stars, distant and eternal, remind us of our potential. They challenge us to think beyond the limits of our time, to imagine futures where humanity thrives not as inhabitants of a single planet, but as stewards of a galaxy. This vision is not a utopia, it is a possibility, one that depends on our ability to work together, to prioritize long-term goals, and to embrace the challenges that come with exploring the unknown. The cosmos is not just a destination, it is a reflection of who we are and who we might become. It is a reminder that we are part of something vast and beautiful, a story that began long before us and will continue long after we are gone. To explore the universe is to add our voice to this story, to ensure that the light of life and consciousness continues to shine. The journey is far from over. In many ways, it has only just begun. The stars are calling, their light a testament to the passage of time and the endurance of existence. As we step forward, let us do so with hope, with courage, and with the understanding that we are not separate from the universe, we are its expression. This is our moment, our legacy, and our responsibility. The story of the cosmos is ours to write, and it is a story of wonder, possibility, and infinite potential. The cosmos invites us forward, urging us to take the next steps in a journey that began long before we could even name the stars. As we strive to understand this vast and intricate universe, each discovery feels like a new page in an unfolding epic, one that links the past, the present, and the infinite possibilities of the future. But what will this future look like? What will humanity become as we grow beyond the boundaries of our home planet, as we expand into realms where the very laws of nature challenge our perceptions and assumptions? Imagine a time when we have established ourselves among the stars. The galaxy is no longer an unreachable frontier, but a vast network of interconnected worlds, each uniquely shaped by the dreams and challenges of its settlers. Cities glimmer beneath alien skies, built on moons and planets that were once distant points of light. On these worlds, humanity has adapted, our technologies, cultures, and even our biology evolving to meet the demands of environments vastly different from Earth. This expansion does not diminish our connection to our home planet, rather, it deepens it. Earth remains the heart of our collective identity, a living archive of our origins. Its ecosystems, languages, and stories are preserved and celebrated, serving as a reminder of where we came from and what we strive to protect. For even as we grow outward, the lessons of Earth, the importance of balance, sustainability, and respect for life, guide our every step. Yet the galaxy offers more than just new homes, it offers new ways of thinking. On each new world, humanity encounters landscapes and conditions that challenge our creativity and resourcefulness. Colonists on a low-gravity moon might develop art and architecture that defy the rules of earthly design. Those living beneath the thick, methane-rich skies of Titan might discover entirely new forms of agriculture, communication, or culture, shaped by their unique environment. This diversity strengthens us, forging a galactic civilization that is united not by uniformity, but by shared purpose and mutual respect. The stars, once symbols of distance and isolation, become points of connection, knitting together a vast and dynamic web of human experience. And what of the other forms of life that might exist out there? Somewhere, orbiting a distant sun, there may be beings whose paths have intersected with the stars in ways we cannot yet imagine. Their civilizations, shaped by alien biologies and histories, might hold knowledge that expands our understanding of the universe, or questions that deepen its mysteries. If we meet them, the encounter will challenge us to think beyond the frameworks of earthly experience. How do we communicate across such profound differences? What can we offer them, and what might we learn? And how will this meeting redefine our place in the cosmos, not as solitary explorers, but as part of a greater community of life? Even without direct contact, the possibility of others out there inspires a profound sense of connection. It reminds us that we are not alone in looking to the stars and wondering. The universe, vast and ancient, is a stage where countless stories may unfold, stories of creation, discovery, and transformation, written in the languages of countless worlds. And if we find that we are truly alone, the cosmos remains no less extraordinary. It means that life, consciousness, and curiosity are all the more precious. It means that we are the universe's voice, its hands, its eyes, the means by which it explores itself and creates meaning within its vast expanse. As we expand into the stars, we will carry with us not only our knowledge but our values. Exploration is not just a technological endeavor, it is a moral one. We must approach each world, each ecosystem, with humility and care, understanding that our actions ripple across the cosmos. To tread lightly, to respect the sanctity of what we find, is to honor the very spirit of exploration. And so, we stand at the threshold of a future that stretches far beyond the horizons of Earth. The stars are not simply destinations, they are mirrors, reflecting our potential back at us. They remind us of the resilience of life, the power of imagination, and the importance of dreaming beyond what seems possible. The journey will not be easy. It will demand sacrifices, collaboration, and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. But it will also reveal wonders beyond anything we can now conceive. It will show us not only the infinite beauty of the cosmos but the infinite potential within ourselves. For the story of the universe is not just one of stars and galaxies, it is a story of connection. It is the story of a species that looked to the night sky and saw not emptiness, but possibility. It is the story of a planet that gave rise to beings capable of wondering why and what if. This story, the greatest ever told, is still unfolding. It is written not only in the light of distant stars but in the actions of those who dare to reach for them. Let us write it with courage, with care, and with the knowledge that every step we take forward is a step toward understanding our place in the infinite. The stars are calling, as they always have. And now, for the first time, we are prepared to answer, not with hesitation, but with hope. For this is our journey, our responsibility, and our legacy. The story of the cosmos is ours to shape, and it has only just begun. As humanity begins to etch its presence among the stars, the journey itself becomes more than an act of exploration, it becomes a profound declaration of purpose. Each step we take forward is a testament to our desire not only to survive but to thrive, to create, and to understand. Imagine the first generation of humanity that lives entirely off-world. They might call the moon their home, building domed cities beneath its pale, cratered surface. They might cultivate crops in the light of artificial suns on Mars or sail the methane seas of Titan in vessels designed for worlds unlike anything Earth has ever known. These pioneers would embody the resilience and adaptability of life, demonstrating humanity's ability to grow and evolve beyond its planetary cradle. Yet, their lives would also reflect something timeless, a connection to Earth, a shared history that unites us across the vast distances of space. And as they look up at their own alien skies, what stories will they tell? What myths will they create about the stars above them, about their ancestors who dared to venture into the unknown? These new societies, shaped by the challenges and opportunities of their environments, will carry forward humanity's legacy while creating something entirely new, cultures born of the stars, yet deeply rooted in the soil of Earth. But the story of humanity's expansion does not end with colonization. The universe itself invites us to dream even larger, to think beyond planets and moons. Vast habitats, space stations the size of cities, orbiting distant stars, could become homes for millions. These structures, sustained by advanced technologies, could offer environments tailored to human needs, free from the constraints of planetary gravity or atmosphere. Imagine O'Neill cylinders, immense rotating habitats with their own artificial gravity, forests, rivers, and skies. Or Dyson swarms, a network of solar collectors surrounding a star, capturing its energy to sustain a thriving civilization. These constructs are not merely theoretical, they are glimpses of a future where humanity has learned to live in harmony with the cosmos, using its resources not for domination, but for creation. And yet, as we build and expand, the questions grow deeper. What does it mean to be human when our home is no longer a single planet but the vastness of space? How will we define our identity in a universe where we are no longer bound by Earth's gravity, its ecosystems, or even its cycles of day and night? These questions challenge us to think beyond survival, to consider the essence of humanity's role in the cosmos. Are we merely wanderers, seeking new places to inhabit? Or are we creators, builders of worlds and shapers of meaning? The answers may lie in the very act of exploration itself. For as we venture outward, we are not just discovering the universe, we are discovering ourselves. Each new world we encounter, each new challenge we overcome, reveals something about our nature, our curiosity, our resilience, and our capacity for wonder. And what of the universe's other inhabitants? If we find life beyond Earth, it will transform our understanding of existence. Even the simplest microorganism on an alien world would confirm that life is not a solitary phenomenon but a cosmic process, woven into the fabric of the universe. But the discovery of intelligent life, if it exists, would be the most profound encounter in human history. It would force us to redefine our understanding of intelligence, culture, and even morality. How would we communicate across such vast differences? How would we navigate the challenges of contact without imposing or disrupting? These questions remind us that exploration is not just an opportunity, it is a responsibility. The cosmos is a vast, interconnected system, and every action we take within it carries consequences. To tread lightly, to act with care and humility, is to honor the universe's complexity and beauty. And yet, even in the absence of other life, the universe remains extraordinary. Its stars and galaxies, its black holes and nebulae, its vast stretches of emptiness, all speak to a creative force that transcends our understanding. To explore the cosmos is to participate in that creativity, to add our voice to the grand symphony of existence. It is to recognize that we are not separate from the universe, but deeply connected to it, its children, its storytellers, and its stewards. The journey ahead is long, but it is also limitless. Each new discovery is a reminder of how much remains to be explored, how many questions remain to be answered. And with each step we take, we bring the universe closer, not as a distant expanse, but as a part of ourselves. For in seeking the stars, we are not just searching for new worlds. We are searching for meaning, for connection, for a deeper understanding of what it means to be alive. The stars await, their light spanning billions of years and trillions of miles to reach us. They remind us that the universe is not a place to conquer, but a home to cherish, a place of endless wonder and infinite potential. This is our story, the story of the cosmos. It is a story that began in the hearts of stars, continued in the oceans of Earth, and now stretches into the infinite. Let us write this story with courage, with compassion, and with the understanding that every step forward is a step into a future that is ours to shape. The cosmos is calling, and we are ready to answer, not with hesitation, but with hope. For this is our journey, and it has only just begun. As we step further into the cosmos, the story of humanity grows richer and more complex, intertwined with the fabric of the universe itself. Each new world we touch, each mystery we unravel, brings us closer to understanding our role in this vast, unfolding narrative. The expansion of humanity beyond Earth is not simply a matter of survival, it is an act of creation. With every colony established, every ship launched into the void, we are not only ensuring the continuity of life but also shaping the identity of a galactic civilization. The decisions we make today will echo across millennia, influencing the culture, ethics, and aspirations of future generations. But what does it mean to become a spacefaring species? It means confronting challenges on a scale we have never before encountered. It means embracing the unknown, with all its risks and rewards. And it means redefining what it means to be human in the context of a universe that is both infinite and indifferent. One of the first steps in this journey is building sustainable habitats beyond Earth. On Mars, settlers will learn to live in a world of extremes: thin, carbon dioxide-rich air, freezing temperatures, and dust storms that can last for weeks. To survive, they will develop technologies that allow them to create breathable air, potable water, and food in an environment that was never meant to sustain life. But survival is only the beginning. As settlements grow, they will evolve into vibrant communities, each one reflecting the ingenuity and resilience of its inhabitants. The red deserts of Mars might one day host greenhouses, schools, art studios, and research centers, places where science, culture, and creativity thrive together. Beyond Mars, the moons of the gas giants offer new frontiers. Europa's icy crust hides an ocean that could harbor life. Titan, with its dense atmosphere and methane lakes, presents an environment so alien that it challenges our very concept of habitability. Each of these worlds offers not just a place to explore, but a unique opportunity to learn, to adapt, to innovate, and to expand our understanding of life's potential. And then there are the stars. Interstellar travel, while still a distant goal, is no longer beyond the realm of possibility. Concepts like laser-propelled sails, antimatter drives, and even warp technology suggest that the barriers of distance and time might one day be overcome. These advancements would open the galaxy to humanity, transforming the stars from distant dreams into reachable destinations. But with this expansion comes profound ethical questions. What responsibilities do we bear toward the ecosystems we might encounter? How do we ensure that our presence does not harm the delicate balance of alien worlds? And how do we navigate the moral implications of transforming planets through terraforming or other means? These questions are not just theoretical, they are central to the journey itself. For in becoming explorers of the cosmos, we must also become its stewards. The universe is not a blank canvas for us to impose our will upon, it is a living, dynamic system that demands respect and humility. And as we confront these challenges, we must also prepare for the possibility of encountering other intelligences. If we find civilizations among the stars, their existence will forever change our understanding of life and our place in the universe. How we approach such encounters, whether with fear or with curiosity, with caution or with openness, will define not only our relationship with them but also our legacy as a species. Yet, even in the absence of others, the act of exploring the cosmos transforms us. It reminds us of our shared humanity, of the ingenuity and collaboration required to achieve the impossible. It inspires us to look beyond our divisions and to embrace the common thread that connects us all, a deep, abiding curiosity about the world beyond our own. The journey to the stars is more than a scientific or technological endeavor, it is a journey of self-discovery. It challenges us to ask who we are, what we value, and what we wish to become. It invites us to see ourselves not as isolated individuals, but as part of a larger whole, connected not only to each other but to the universe itself. And in this connection lies our greatest strength. For as vast and indifferent as the cosmos may seem, it has given rise to life, to consciousness, and to the capacity for wonder. Through us, the universe has found a way to know itself, to reflect on its beauty and complexity, and to dream of what might yet be. The stars are calling, their light a reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. As we reach for them, let us do so with courage, with humility, and with the understanding that every step forward is a step toward a future filled with infinite possibilities. This is our moment. This is our journey. And this is the story of the cosmos, written not in the language of physics or mathematics alone, but in the hopes, dreams, and actions of those who dare to explore. The universe awaits, vast and eternal. Let us embrace its mystery, its beauty, and its endless potential. For in seeking the stars, we find ourselves, and in finding ourselves, we discover the infinite. As humanity reaches for the stars, the journey transforms from a dream into a responsibility, a commitment not only to the survival of our species but to the continuity of life itself. The cosmos is not a backdrop, it is the stage on which the greatest story of all unfolds, a story we are now writing with every step we take beyond the confines of Earth. The stars, though distant and silent, are not indifferent. They are beacons, reminders of the forces that forged us, the processes that turned stardust into thought, curiosity, and imagination. As we venture outward, we carry with us the legacy of billions of years of cosmic evolution, a legacy that now depends on our choices, our values, and our vision for the future. The first interstellar missions. The path to the stars begins with the smallest steps, but even the smallest steps are monumental. Robotic probes, traveling at fractions of the speed of light, will be humanity's first emissaries to distant star systems. Equipped with advanced AI and sensors, these probes will transmit back images, data, and insights about worlds orbiting other suns. Imagine the first photograph of an alien coastline, its waves lapping against shores lit by a distant star. Imagine receiving chemical signatures that hint at life, perhaps simple, perhaps complex, but unmistakably alive. These moments will redefine not only our understanding of the universe but our understanding of ourselves. But the true leap will come when humanity itself crosses the interstellar divide. Generational star ships, carrying entire communities, will set sail for neighboring stars. These vessels, self-sufficient ecosystems, will sustain life for centuries, their inhabitants living with the knowledge that they are building a future they may never personally see. Shaping new worlds. Upon arrival, these pioneers will face challenges and opportunities unlike any humanity has ever encountered. Alien worlds will offer unfamiliar landscapes, atmospheres, and climates. Some may be barren, requiring the full ingenuity of terraforming to become habitable. Others may already teem with life, demanding careful observation and ethical restraint. Terraforming, a process that could take centuries, represents humanity's potential to create and sustain life on an unprecedented scale. By introducing microbial ecosystems, altering atmospheres, and guiding planetary evolution, we could transform lifeless worlds into thriving habitats. But these actions come with profound moral implications. What is our responsibility to preserve a planet's natural state? How do we balance our needs with the integrity of an untouched ecosystem? And what if life already exists? Even the discovery of microbial organisms would force us to reconsider the sanctity of alien biospheres. Would we have the right to coexist, to modify, or to step back entirely, leaving these worlds as they are? The answers to these questions will define the ethical framework of humanity's cosmic expansion. Encountering the other. As we expand into the galaxy, the possibility of encountering intelligent civilizations grows ever more real. How we approach this moment, whether with humility, curiosity, or fear, will shape the future of interstellar relations. First contact would challenge every aspect of our identity. Another species might possess technologies that dwarf our own, perspectives that challenge our deepest beliefs, or a history that redefines our understanding of life's place in the universe. Communication, collaboration, and coexistence would require unprecedented levels of empathy, creativity, and adaptability. Yet even if we find ourselves alone, the act of searching expands our horizons. The silence of the cosmos does not diminish its grandeur, it amplifies the significance of life on Earth. It reminds us that we are stewards of a rare phenomenon, a responsibility that extends beyond our planet and into the infinite. Becoming a galactic species. As humanity spreads among the stars, we will not only transform the galaxy, we will transform ourselves. The pressures of new environments, the isolation of interstellar travel, and the challenges of building off-world societies will shape our culture, our biology, and our sense of identity. Colonists on a low-gravity moon may develop physical adaptations over generations. Communities living in artificial habitats may evolve new languages, traditions, and ways of thinking. Over millennia, the descendants of today's explorers may become as diverse as the stars they inhabit, united not by geography but by a shared origin and purpose. And yet, even as humanity evolves, the connection to Earth will endure. The cradle of life, the birthplace of dreams, Earth will remain a symbol of where we began and what we strive to preserve. Its ecosystems, its history, and its lessons will be carried forward, shaping the ethics and aspirations of a galactic civilization. Writing the next chapter. The journey to the stars is more than a scientific or technological endeavor, it is a statement of hope. It is a belief that the challenges of today can be overcome, that humanity's potential is boundless, and that the universe is a canvas for creation, exploration, and understanding. This journey will not end with us. It will continue through generations, through centuries, through the rise and fall of civilizations. And each step forward will bring us closer to answering the deepest questions: why does the universe exist? What is our role within it? And what does it mean to be alive, aware, and connected to the infinite? The stars await, their light a reminder of the forces that bind us together and the possibilities that lie ahead. As we reach for them, let us do so with courage, with compassion, and with the understanding that every journey into the unknown is a journey into ourselves. For the story of the cosmos is not just a story of physics and astronomy, it is a story of humanity. It is a story of dreams, of challenges, and of endless potential. And it is a story that we are writing, one step, one discovery, one act of wonder at a time. The universe is calling. Let us answer, not with hesitation, but with hope. For this is our legacy, our purpose, and our place in the infinite. As humanity ventures further into the cosmos, each step forward brings with it new challenges, profound questions, and endless possibilities. The story of our journey is not just about reaching the stars, it is about defining who we are as a species and what kind of future we wish to build among the infinite. First contact and the unknown. One of the most profound possibilities of interstellar exploration is the discovery of intelligent life. What would it mean to meet another civilization? Would it be a moment of connection and collaboration, or would it expose the vast gulf between our ways of thinking and understanding the universe? Communication alone would be an unprecedented challenge. An alien species might perceive reality in ways entirely unlike our own, using forms of language, mathematics, or even biology that we cannot immediately decipher. Yet, in the act of trying, we would find ourselves reaching beyond the limitations of our perspective, expanding not only our knowledge but also our empathy. If such a meeting were to occur, it would force us to reevaluate fundamental aspects of our existence. What does it mean to be intelligent? What values are universal? How do we navigate the ethical and practical challenges of sharing the galaxy with beings whose histories and goals may be radically different from our own? The galactic community. Imagine a future where humanity becomes part of a larger galactic community. Such a reality would transform every aspect of our culture. Trade, diplomacy, and shared exploration might become the defining features of our existence, as civilizations work together to uncover the mysteries of the universe. Yet, this unity would not come without challenges. Differences in technology, resource needs, and philosophical outlooks could create tensions that demand careful negotiation. The galaxy, vast and diverse, would test our capacity for collaboration and our ability to embrace perspectives far removed from our own. But even if we find ourselves alone, the silence of the cosmos would not diminish its grandeur. Instead, it would highlight the incredible rarity and value of life. It would place upon us the profound responsibility of carrying forward the flame of consciousness, ensuring that life continues to thrive even in the face of cosmic indifference. Shaping alien worlds. As humanity reaches new star systems, we will encounter planets that challenge our imagination, worlds with strange skies, unfamiliar chemistries, and ecosystems that defy earthly categories. Some of these planets may be barren, offering the potential for terraforming in the creation of new habitats. Others may host life, presenting opportunities for study and cooperation but also demanding restraint. Terraforming, though a powerful tool, carries with it immense ethical weight. Transforming a planet means altering its natural state, potentially erasing its unique history and future. To reshape a world for our purposes is to take on the responsibility of creation, a responsibility that must be approached with humility, foresight, and respect for the unknown. On planets that already host life, the choices become even more complex. How do we interact with ecosystems that evolved independently of Earth? What rights do we afford to alien organisms? These questions will define the moral framework of humanity's expansion into the galaxy, guiding our actions as both explorers and stewards. The evolution of humanity. As humanity adapts to life beyond Earth, we will inevitably change, physically, culturally, and psychologically. Generations born in low-gravity environments may develop different physical traits, while those living under alien suns might evolve new ways of perceiving time and space. Over millennia, the descendants of today's explorers may diverge from their earthbound ancestors, becoming as diverse as the stars they inhabit. Yet, despite these changes, the core of what makes us human, our curiosity, creativity, and capacity for connection, will endure. These traits, honed over millions of years, will guide us as we build a galactic civilization, ensuring that our differences become a source of strength rather than division. The long view. The story of the cosmos is a story of immense time scales, spanning billions of years. As humanity becomes a spacefaring species, We must learn to think in these terms, recognizing that our actions today will shape the universe for generations to come. In this vast timeline, humanity's legacy will not be measured by the distances we travel or the worlds we colonize, but by the values we uphold and the meaning we create. The universe offers us a canvas of infinite potential. It is up to us to decide what we will paint upon it. A journey without end. The journey to the stars is not a race, it is a process, an unfolding adventure that will continue as long as there are beings who dare to dream. It is a journey that connects us to the deepest truths of existence, reminding us that we are not separate from the universe but an integral part of its ongoing evolution. The stars call to us not just as destinations, but as symbols of what is possible. They remind us that the cosmos is not static, it is alive with potential, waiting for us to explore, to understand, and to contribute to its story. And so, as we prepare to take the next steps, let us do so with courage, with care, and with the knowledge that every act of exploration is an act of creation. The universe is vast, but it is not beyond our reach. It is a home waiting to be discovered, a mystery waiting to be unraveled, and a future waiting to be written. This is our journey, our responsibility, and our legacy. The stars await, and the story of the cosmos continues, with us as its authors. The story of the cosmos is far from finished. As humanity stands on the cusp of a new era, where the boundaries of Earth are no longer the limits of our ambition, the next chapters of this story are ours to write. Each decision we make, each challenge we overcome, will shape not only our future but the future of life itself in the universe. Ethics of creation, terraforming and beyond. The act of terraforming, transforming a lifeless world into one capable of supporting life, is one of humanity's most audacious dreams. Mars, with its barren deserts and polar ice caps, stands as the most likely candidate. By releasing trapped carbon dioxide to thicken its atmosphere or introducing genetically engineered microorganisms to create breathable oxygen, we could one day see Mars transformed into a habitable planet. But terraforming is not simply an engineering feat, it is an act of creation. It raises profound ethical questions. What rights does a barren planet have to remain untouched? Does the possibility of life emerging naturally in the distant future outweigh our immediate needs? And if we succeed, who bears the responsibility for ensuring that the newly created biosphere thrives sustainably? These questions extend beyond Mars. As humanity expands into the galaxy, we will encounter planets and moons at various stages of evolution. Some may be frozen in their infancy, waiting for the right conditions to spark life. Others might be rich with ecosystems entirely different from those on Earth. Each world we touch carries its own unique potential, and our actions will determine whether that potential is fulfilled or destroyed. Preserving the sanctity of alien ecosystems. Imagine discovering a world teeming with alien life. Its forests might be bioluminescent, its seas filled with creatures that communicate through pulses of light or sound. How would we approach such a world? Would we view it as a partner in the cosmic story, a place to observe and learn, or as a resource to be managed? Preserving alien ecosystems requires more than restraint, it demands an entirely new ethical framework, one that recognizes the intrinsic value of life, regardless of its utility to us. This framework must be built on humility, acknowledging that the universe's diversity is not ours to control but to protect. Building interstellar communities. As humanity spreads to the stars, our societies will adapt to the unique challenges of each environment. A colony on a low-gravity moon might develop cultural practices and traditions centered around movement and space. A community living aboard a generation ship could prioritize resource conservation and collective decision-making, shaped by the necessity of long-term sustainability. These adaptations will lead to the emergence of new identities, languages, and ways of life. Over centuries, the cultural and genetic differences between interstellar colonies may become so pronounced that we no longer see ourselves as a single species. Yet, even in this diversity, there will be a thread of connection, an origin story that binds all of humanity to Earth and to each other. The cultural evolution of interstellar communities also raises questions about governance, justice, and cooperation. How will we balance autonomy with unity? What structures will ensure that resources, knowledge, and opportunities are shared equitably across the stars? These questions are as essential as the technological ones, for they will determine whether our expansion leads to harmony or division. The infinite possibilities of discovery. Every star system we visit, every world we explore, holds the potential for discoveries that could revolutionize our understanding of physics, biology, and even the nature of consciousness. Exotic materials from neutron stars might unlock new forms of energy. Encounters with alien ecosystems could inspire breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and technology. But the most transformative discoveries may be those that challenge our deepest assumptions. What if we find evidence of civilizations that rose and fell long before our own? What if we encounter life forms that exist beyond our traditional definitions of biology, beings of pure energy, or consciousness embedded in quantum fields? These possibilities remind us that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we can imagine. They urge us to approach the cosmos not with arrogance, but with awe, knowing that each question answered will lead to countless more. The legacy of exploration. In the end, the journey to the stars is not just about survival or curiosity, it is about meaning. It is about carrying forward the light of life and consciousness, ensuring that the universe does not remain a silent, unobserved expanse. Through our actions, we give the cosmos a voice, a story, and a purpose. But this legacy also requires reflection. As we reach outward, we must not forget where we came from. Earth is more than our birthplace, it is our teacher, a world that has shown us the power of balance, cooperation, and respect for life. These lessons must guide us as we shape the future, ensuring that we tread lightly and act wisely. The cosmos is vast, its possibilities infinite. But it is not a void, it is a home, waiting to be explored, understood, and cherished. The stars call to us, not only as destinations but as reminders of the beauty and mystery that surround us. They urge us to dream, to reach, and to create, knowing that the greatest discoveries lie not in what we conquer, but in what we understand. This is our story, the story of Earth, of humanity, and of the cosmos itself. It is a story that spans billions of years and reaches across light years. And it is a story that is still unfolding, written in the actions, dreams, and hopes of those who dare to look beyond. The universe awaits, and the journey continues. Let us step forward with courage, with humility, and with the knowledge that we are not separate from the cosmos, we are its expression, its explorers, and its storytellers. This is our legacy, and it has only just begun. The story of humanity's journey into the cosmos is one of infinite potential and profound responsibility. As we move forward, venturing into realms once thought unreachable, every step expands not just the boundaries of our physical reach but the horizons of our understanding and imagination. The foundations of galactic society. As humanity settles new worlds and constructs thriving interstellar communities, the foundations of a galactic society will emerge. These communities will not be mere replicas of Earth's civilizations, they will evolve, shaped by the unique conditions of their environments and the needs of their inhabitants. One colony might thrive beneath the icy crust of Europa, where geothermal energy powers cities encased in glass domes, surrounded by the perpetual, alien glow of its subsurface ocean. Another might find its home in the thick, hazy skies of Titan, where methane lakes offer new frontiers for energy and innovation. These settlements will reflect the ingenuity of humanity, each one a testament to our ability to adapt and thrive under extraordinary circumstances. But the threads connecting these communities will be just as important as the worlds themselves. Advanced communication networks spanning light years will become the lifeblood of interstellar civilization, ensuring the exchange of knowledge, culture, and innovation. Even with delays caused by the vast distances between stars, these networks will weave a tapestry of connection, binding humanity together across the galaxy. Cultural and biological evolution. As humanity spreads among the stars, it will not remain static. Each environment, with its distinct gravitational forces, atmospheric conditions, and resource availability, will shape the evolution of its inhabitants. Over generations, the differences between colonies may become profound, leading to the emergence of new adaptations, cultures, and even languages. Imagine a generation born on a low-gravity world like the Moon or an asteroid colony. Their physiology might become uniquely adapted to their environment, taller, with lighter bone structures, their movements more fluid in reduced gravity. On a planet with higher gravity, humanity might evolve shorter, more robust forms, better suited to the constant pull of their environment. These changes, both cultural and biological, will not divide us but enrich us. Diversity has always been humanity's strength, and in the stars, it will become our defining characteristic. Across the galaxy, countless variations of humanity will emerge, each one carrying forward the legacy of Earth while forging new paths in the story of life. Encounters with the unknown. The galaxy is vast, and as we explore its depths, the unknown will confront us in ways we cannot yet predict. Some worlds will be barren, offering blank slates for human ingenuity. Others will teem with life, some familiar, some utterly alien, challenging our understanding of biology and ecology. But the greatest unknown may come not from planets, but from civilizations. Somewhere in the galaxy, there may be others like us, beings who have looked to the stars and wondered if they are alone. The moment of first contact, if and when it comes, will redefine humanity's place in the universe. What form might this contact take? A radio signal, encoded with mathematics, a universal language that transcends species? A chance encounter with a long-abandoned alien artifact, its creators long gone? Or a direct meeting, face-to-face, with beings whose perspectives, histories, and goals are as alien as their appearance? Such encounters would demand unparalleled diplomacy, empathy, and caution. The stakes would be immense, the opportunity to share knowledge and experiences, to learn from one another, and to build bridges across the stars, or the risk of misunderstanding and conflict on an interstellar scale. The ethics of exploration. In every step we take, we must grapple with the ethics of exploration. What rights does humanity have to shape the cosmos? How do we ensure that our actions, whether terraforming planets, mining asteroids, or contacting other species, honor the sanctity of the universe's natural diversity? Exploration, by its nature, alters the environments it touches. But we must strive to act not as conquerors, but as caretakers. This means preserving the integrity of alien ecosystems, respecting the autonomy of other civilizations, and ensuring that the light of life continues to shine, undiminished by our presence. A future beyond imagination. As we look to the future, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Humanity might one day create artificial worlds, vast constructs orbiting distant stars, designed to house billions of people. We might harness the energy of entire suns, building Dyson spheres or swarms to power civilizations of unimaginable scale. We might even unlock the secrets of spacetime, allowing us to travel not just between stars, but between galaxies, spreading life across the universe. But these grand visions are not the end point, they are milestones in a journey without end. The universe is infinite in its complexity and wonder, and humanity's role within it will continue to evolve. With every discovery, every question answered, new mysteries will arise, propelling us ever forward. The legacy of humanity. In the vast timeline of the cosmos, humanity's story is just beginning. We are a young species, standing at the threshold of a future filled with infinite potential. What we do now, how we choose to explore, create, and connect, will shape not only our destiny but the destiny of life itself. Let us move forward with courage and humility, with the understanding that our actions echo across the stars. Let us carry with us the values that have guided us through millennia: curiosity, compassion, and the unyielding belief that the unknown is worth exploring. The stars await, silent and eternal, their light carrying the promise of endless possibilities. As we reach for them, we write the next chapter in the greatest story ever told, the story of the cosmos, of Earth, and of humanity's place within the infinite. This is our journey, our responsibility, and our legacy. Let us embrace it, not with fear, but with wonder. For the universe is calling, and we are ready to answer. The story of humanity's expansion into the cosmos is not merely a tale of exploration, it is a profound evolution of identity and purpose. As we reach further into the universe, our journey becomes a reflection of our values, our creativity, and our shared destiny as stewards of life. Technologies that will shape the future. The journey to the stars will demand technologies that transform the limits of what we believe is possible. Advances in propulsion systems, such as antimatter drives, fusion engines, or even warp technology, may one day reduce the vast distances between stars to manageable journeys. These breakthroughs are not just engineering challenges, they are the keys to unlocking a future where humanity is no longer confined to one solar system. Communication across interstellar distances will also require innovation. Even at the speed of light, signals between stars could take years, challenging how societies remain connected. Quantum entanglement, offering the promise of instantaneous communication, could revolutionize how we share knowledge, culture, and governance across the galaxy. Equally transformative will be advancements in biotechnology and artificial intelligence. As humans adapt to the harsh conditions of space, genetic engineering may allow us to thrive in environments with different gravities, atmospheres, or radiation levels. Artificial intelligence will not only aid in exploration but may itself become a partner in the cosmic journey, sentient machines capable of creativity, reasoning, and perhaps even dreaming of the stars. Living among the stars. Life in space will challenge humanity to think beyond the familiar. In the void of interstellar travel or on the surface of alien worlds, communities will be built on principles of sustainability and resilience. Resources will be precious, ecosystems carefully balanced, and every decision will carry the weight of survival and progress. Imagine the first human settlements on Mars, their domes glowing faintly beneath a pinkish sky. Inside, life flourishes, greenhouses brimming with crops, laboratories pushing the boundaries of science, and children growing up in a world their ancestors could only dream of. These pioneers will not just survive, they will create new cultures, traditions, and ways of life, reflecting the unique challenges and opportunities of their environment. Beyond Mars, the gas giants and their moons beckon with mysteries of their own. Floating cities in the skies of Venus, habitats nestled in the icy crust of Europa, and research stations on Enceladus will push the limits of what humanity can achieve. Each world will offer not just a home, but a perspective, a reminder of the diversity and wonder of the universe. Encounters with other civilizations. As humanity reaches further into the cosmos, the question of other intelligent life looms ever larger. The galaxy, with its billions of stars and even more planets, seems too vast to host life only on Earth. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, through radio signals, planetary exploration, and theoretical physics, is more than a scientific endeavor, it is a search for connection. Should we encounter another civilization, the implications would be profound. Even the discovery of a single alien artifact, left behind by beings who no longer exist, would alter our understanding of history and our place within it. If we were to meet living, intelligent beings, the challenge would be not only to communicate but to coexist, balancing curiosity with caution, and cooperation with the need to preserve our own integrity. These encounters, real or imagined, force us to reflect on our values. What would we share with another species? What could we learn? And how would we ensure that our actions reflect the best of who we are? The philosophy of the infinite. As humanity's gaze turns outward, the philosophical implications of our journey become increasingly significant. The universe, with its unimaginable scale and complexity, invites us to ask questions that have no simple answers. Why does the cosmos exist? What is our purpose within it? And how can we, as finite beings, find meaning in an infinite reality? The act of exploration itself offers part of the answer. To venture into the unknown is to affirm that curiosity and creativity are intrinsic to life. The universe, in its vastness, becomes not a source of fear but of inspiration, a canvas for humanity's greatest aspirations. Yet, the infinite also humbles us. It reminds us that we are small, that our time is brief, and that the stars will endure long after we are gone. This perspective does not diminish us, it elevates us, connecting our individual lives to the grand narrative of existence. The legacy we leave. As humanity becomes a spacefaring civilization, the legacy we leave will not be measured solely by the distances we travel or the worlds we inhabit. It will be defined by the values we carry forward, the respect we show for life, the care we take in shaping the universe, and the stories we tell about who we are and why we journeyed into the stars. Earth, our cradle, will always be at the heart of this legacy. It is the place where life began, where consciousness emerged, and where the first dreams of the cosmos were born. As we spread outward, we will carry Earth with us, not just as a memory, but as a guiding principle, a reminder of what we strive to protect and preserve. The story of the cosmos is not separate from the story of humanity. It is a shared narrative, one that connects the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies, the briefest moments to the span of eternity. And in this story, humanity plays a vital role, a role that is just beginning to unfold. The journey without end. The stars await, their light a promise of infinite possibility. As we step forward, let us do so with courage, with humility, and with the understanding that every journey is both an exploration and a creation. The cosmos is not just a destination, it is a reflection of ourselves, a reminder of what we are capable of when we dare to dream. The universe calls, and we are ready to answer, not as conquerors, but as explorers, not with fear, but with wonder. For in seeking the stars, we find ourselves, and in finding ourselves, we discover the infinite. This is our moment. This is our story. And it has only just begun. The story of humanity's cosmic journey is a story without end, a testament to our boundless curiosity, resilience, and capacity for wonder. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, each step forward brings us closer to understanding the infinite and our place within it. Expanding horizons, beyond the stars. The stars are not the final destination. Beyond them lie structures and phenomena that challenge even our most advanced understanding, galaxies stretching across the universe, supermassive black holes bending time and space, and the enigmatic dark matter and dark energy that govern the cosmos. One day, humanity may look beyond the Milky Way, venturing into intergalactic space. These distances, measured in millions of light-years, dwarf even the vast expanses between stars. To traverse them, we will need technologies that harness the fundamental forces of the universe, perhaps tapping into the energy of black holes, manipulating wormholes, or mastering the properties of quantum fields. Imagine a future where humanity establishes outposts not just among the stars but in the void between galaxies. These intergalactic way stations, powered by advanced energy systems, could serve as beacons of exploration and hubs for knowledge. From these points, humanity might reach even the most distant corners of the universe, ensuring that life's story continues across unimaginable scales. The nature of time and the universe's fate. As we expand outward, our understanding of time itself will evolve. The universe operates on timescales that far exceed human lifespans. Stars live and die over billions of years, galaxies collide over eons, and the universe itself may one day face an end, whether through heat death, a big freeze, or a big crunch. These realities invite profound questions. Can humanity find ways to transcend its temporal limits? Might we preserve consciousness across generations, or even find ways to extend our existence into the far future? Such possibilities are not merely speculative, they are a reflection of our ability to adapt and innovate in the face of cosmic challenges. And as we contemplate the universe's fate, we are reminded of the urgency and significance of our actions today. Every step we take to preserve life, every effort to understand the cosmos, contributes to a legacy that may endure long after the stars have faded. Humanity's role as cosmic stewards. As humanity becomes a galactic civilization, our responsibilities grow. We are not merely explorers, we are caretakers of a universe filled with diversity and potential. Whether we encounter thriving alien ecosystems or barren worlds awaiting transformation, our actions will shape the cosmos in ways that echo across time. Being a steward means acting with humility and foresight. It means recognizing that the universe is not ours to dominate but to understand, to preserve, and to honor. Every world we touch, every species we encounter, is a chapter in the cosmic story, a story that is enriched, not diminished, by its complexity. The rise of artificial intelligences and post-human evolution. In the centuries to come, humanity itself may evolve in ways that challenge our definitions of what it means to be human. As we adapt to life in space, genetic engineering, artificial intelligence, and cybernetic enhancements will blur the lines between biology and technology. Artificial intelligences, already integral to our exploration efforts, may one day become partners in the journey, possessing their own forms of consciousness and creativity. These entities could travel where humans cannot, into the hearts of stars, the depths of black holes, or the far reaches of the universe where survival would be impossible for organic life. The fusion of human and machine intelligence might also give rise to post-human beings, entities capable of perceiving and interacting with the cosmos in ways we cannot yet imagine. These beings would carry forward humanity's legacy, ensuring that our dreams and values endure even as our form changes. The endless quest for meaning. At the heart of humanity's journey is a search for meaning. The universe, vast and indifferent, invites us to create purpose in the face of its enormity. Each star we explore, each world we transform, is an affirmation of life's resilience and creativity. As we seek answers to the great questions, why does the universe exist? Are we alone? What lies beyond the observable cosmos? We find that the journey itself offers meaning. It is in the act of exploration, the pursuit of knowledge, and the connections we forge that we discover our place in the infinite. A legacy beyond measure. The legacy of humanity's journey will not be measured in distances traveled or technologies created but in the values we uphold and the impact we leave. As we spread across the cosmos, let us ensure that our actions reflect the best of who we are, our curiosity, our compassion, and our commitment to protecting the diversity of life. Earth, the cradle of our existence, will always be a touchstone for these values. As we venture outward, we carry with us the lessons learned from its fragile ecosystems and the wisdom of its interconnected life. These lessons will guide us as we shape the future, ensuring that the light of life continues to shine across the universe. The universe awaits. The stars are calling, their light a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. As we step forward, let us do so with courage, humility, and wonder, knowing that every journey into the unknown is a journey into ourselves. The universe is not just a destination, it is a reflection of our potential, a canvas for our creativity, and a source of endless inspiration. It is a reminder that we are part of something vast and beautiful, a story that began long before us and will continue long after we are gone. This is our moment. This is our journey. And this is the story of the cosmos, written in the language of exploration, discovery, and hope. Let us embrace it, not with hesitation, but with the conviction that the infinite is ours to explore. For in seeking the stars, we find ourselves. And in finding ourselves, we discover the universe. As we bring this journey to a close, we are reminded that the cosmos, vast and eternal, is both our origin and our destiny. From the first flicker of awareness that led us to look up at the stars, humanity has been driven by a profound sense of wonder, a desire to explore, to understand, and to create meaning in a universe of infinite possibilities. The journey into the cosmos is not just a story of technology and discovery, it is a testament to our capacity for courage, creativity, and connection. Each step we take, from the surface of our home planet to the farthest reaches of the stars, is a reflection of who we are and who we have the potential to become. But as we venture outward, let us not forget the lessons of Earth. Our planet, fragile and unique, is a sanctuary of life in a universe that is often harsh and unyielding. The light of the cosmos may call us forward, but the beauty of our home reminds us of our responsibilities, to protect, to preserve, and to cherish the rare and precious gift of life. The universe awaits, its mysteries vast and its possibilities endless. As we prepare to write the next chapters of this story, let us do so with humility, with wonder, and with the understanding that we are not separate from the cosmos, we are its expression, its explorers, and its storytellers. The stars are calling, and we are ready to answer, not as conquerors, but as caretakers, not with fear, but with hope. For in seeking the infinite, we discover not only the universe but ourselves. This is our legacy, our purpose, and our shared destiny. The story of the cosmos continues, and with it, the story of humanity, a journey without end, written in the light of the stars.